Hello, Cakez.
Ja, jetzt gerade. Ist dein Ernst, oder? Ja, alles gut. Kein Problem. Alles gut.
Weil die sind ganz gut geworden, die Kleine. Ganz der Mensch.
Ja. Süß. Hallo. Hallo, meine Kleine. Oh, Entschuldigung.
Kind weg, wirklich. Alles gut.
Hallo, hallo. Look. She just woke up. Hallo. Hello. The only YouTuber I like less than you did this amazing interview. Have you seen it? Thanks for the recommendation. I will check it out. Don't talk bad about him though. Okay, bro. Did Inukai just made? Did Inukai literally just make an account on Discord, calling it Cake's Conscience, because he was so mad about that day? He's stupid. He's stupid. He's stupid. He's stupid. God, my voice is fucked, man. Hello, one like me. Hello, my man, YouTube gamer. Good morning. Being a dad seems so wholesome, XD. Yeah, it's awesome. I love it. She's funny. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, Abev, good morning. And Demo Live Waiting Room. Yeah, Kurdo, good morning. And hello, Magetsap, good morning, you guys. I kinda got... Zoe Punch the Clown. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Huh? What are you looking at? Oh. No, 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 no.
Uh-oh. What happened to penis?
Man, I need water. My throat's completely fucked. Give me a second. Don't say that word, okay? Don't say these words. Okay? Yeah? Tiki, 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 tiki. Here you go. Okay? There you go. Hello, you guys. Hope you're doing good, everyone. Good morning. Hello, Zoe. Hey, Push. Good morning, bro.
Make a good game and don't market.
Hello, Mr. Real Super
The
Cool.
money
Good morning.
will come to you.
Hope you guys are doing good. Yeah, guys, I had a terrible night. I was up way too long. God, are we watching AnimeCon today? What? Can someone explain this meme to me here? Got any advice from me? Never get McDonald's, son. They have rats. What does that mean? They have rats. And she lost her fucking, like, her sock. Where's your sock? Where's your sock? Huh? Was deine zweite Socke? Huh? Hello, Ulas on YouTube and Grieswei as well. Good morning. You're on YouTube, bro? Good morning. One sock only? Yeah. Burger King is better. Kali, December, how Santa denies this dumb. How Santa denies this dumb. Cakez lore understanding. Cakez lore understanding. Witcher, everything. Cakez, not everything.
Cakez got 0 res,
Hello,
and that
Ify, good
demo's
morning.
never dropping.
Hey, hello.
Hey, Snoggy Boy, good morning, bro. What's going on? Local variable. What about the place outside the curly brace? That's beyond your borders. It's actually funny. Huh? Damn. They make him so small, really? Imagine if that was real. Could you imagine if that was actually real? You could kinda grab him by the waist. And then use him like an action figure. Damn. What is this? Heat pan. Step 1, crack pan. Poke egg. You mean crack egg, don't you? Oh wait. Okay. Step 2. Fry egg. Egg. Step 5. It gets worse and worse. What is this meme? Hello, bro. Can you recommend me a good game engine to start my journey? I prefer 3D. Try out Unreal Engine and see if you like it, bro. AI generated instructions. How to make an egg? Really that bad? Damn. Rust, Zig, Odin. True, but Zig is even worse than this. But well, maybe I didn't what is it called? I didn't use Zig too much, but damn, people keep shitting on Rust. You know, I remember this one guy that made a comment. Good morning, Ivuns. Hello there, sir. On my YouTube video, he's like, man, everyone keeps making jokes about Rust, but most of the time they didn't even try the language. Makes me so sick of it. That was a Rust enjoyer. Aua, das ist mein Gesicht. Aua. That's my face. That is my face. Hey. Unreal Engine is too heavy for my PC. Then try out Unity. If you want to try an engine in 3D, then try Unity if you don't like Unreal Engine or if your PC cannot handle Unreal Engine. There's many great games made in Unity that are 3D. The best one that comes to mind immediately, Valheim. If you know what Valheim is, you know how successful the game is, and yes, that was made in Unity. Unity's 3D capabilities are great. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? She's like, shut your mouth, stop yapping. Oh. Yeah, sorry guys, I need to kind of wake up. I had a terrible night.
Gotcha, bitch.
Hey Puka, thank you so much for following, my man. Bonjour.
Bad code? Check.
Maybe will you
React
stop
all
sucking
day?
Unity off?
Check. Zero progress?
When the engine becomes
Check.
bad?
Demo when?
C++?
Check.
No, that's your code, brother, because
Check.
my code doesn't look like
Cannot
this. My
link
code looks much
Raylib?
better.
Check. Blending skill issues? Check.
So. Zoe should have never seen that, bro. Okay. Yeah.
Yep.
Big gameplay, massive progress today. Hello, yeah. We are going to start with this right now. Even though I have Zoe, I'm basically debuffed by one hand. Zoe is a debuff, at least for productivity. And she kinda starts to attack you too. So basically you also get health debuffs. And so we have to be careful not to get too many lacerations here. I'm going to go and do the same thing that I did a couple of days ago, where I'm going to play the rounds with just one hero, and we will see how far we can get. We're gonna place down one hero. Zoe is definitely a buff. She's definitely a buff here. Yeah, you wanna see this? Yeah, you wanna see this? Guck mal da. Ist schön? Yeah. She's like so focused. Oh, oh wait, I got money, I got money, I got money, I got money, I don't know you. No. The baby wants to play, yeah. Let me get her in a better position. Oh, don't stand up. You're not supposed to stand yet. It's too early. It's too early, bro. I lost like all my hearts. What the hell? It's round 5 already. Okay. Think the red flashes are hurting our eyes? No, I don't think so. The reds... Well, I could make it a little less obvious, right? But I think it's fine. When did you decide to go away from PoE, balls, health, and the skill idea? From the PoE, balls, have... What is that? What does that mean? Choose only one. Yeah, he's supposed to be the first hero that you choose because of anti-armor. But I'll probably give the player 2 choices here. The reason for that is because I'm introducing anti-armor with him as the hero.
Long life, Charles.
And so I give him early enough so that the player has enough time to spend, to farm up money to
Don't be afraid of
farm up money to spawn him.
You'll be stronger. Good game will sell nonetheless. The money will come to you.
+1 on the red flash. Too quick and great for epilepsy. Okay. Let me move down the camera a bit so you guys can see Zoe too. She's like playing at the moment. Why not have shorter levels and give towers as a reward, like Plants vs Zombies? Because I'm working on a demo version and I don't know yet. Guys, stop questioning me making rounds, okay? Making rounds is interesting. It's about progressing. Because, like, you think I'm gonna go now and change all my hard work to a different style when the other style works too? Though we need to place these heroes a little bit better. We're gonna place this guy here. Like this. And then I'm gonna place this guy here. And we get shield orbs here. Watch your Zig video and another one. Now I get balloons shots. Oh, awesome, Kubile. That's cool. That's awesome to hear. You can make a good 15 to 25 round levels. Instead of 50 rounds, same-ish stuff. Okay, like one last time. I'm going to do this for the demo. I'm targeting about the same playtime as Mr. Codrad Games is targeting with my demo, which is about 30 minutes to an hour of time spent in the demo version so that people give me enough feedback so I can improve the game from that. And from that point onward, I can decide how I want to move forward. I can try out different things, but first I want to have a somewhat stacked demo version that lets you play for long enough so that you can explore the different types of mechanics in the game that I'm going to have. Not all of them, obviously, but at least quite a few mechanics. So right now, my priority should not be to make different levels. My priority should be to make one level and make that as fun as possible. One mechanic, one system, and then move forward from this. So for example, I feel that the shield orbs... Also, by the way, they're like completely wrong. I feel like... Good morning, Cakes and Baby. Oh, good morning, Mr. Farmer. Hello there, sir. I need to change how the shield orbs work, by the way, because they are kind of off-center.
Hello.
Hello, Zoe. Hello, Zoe. Good morning. Hope you're doing good, Mr. Code and Gree. Good morning, sir. Right now I have a problem, by the way, where... Can I place this guy here? Maybe place him here? That would be a bad placement. I guess I'll place him here. I can't get past a certain round in the game because it's too difficult. Actually, really good. Actually, it is really a good game engine, but the company decisions are bad. I know that the company decisions were bad in the past for Unity. Oh, we got an item. We got lucky. Again. Lol, just like yesterday. Interesting. What the hell? Rusty sword. Actually, I feel like the first item should be the... I'm going to introduce a silver rat. We need a silver rat that drops an item, and then I can spawn this silver rat with a higher chance of dropping items in between enemies here and there. Because the golden rat is... Let's say the golden rat is always an item. Oh, I don't like that too much either, though. Maybe I should spawn the golden rat earlier. Can the Tangies dual wield? I'm calling it. It's actually the baby who is doing the coding. Cakez is only the font figure. Okay, that's your first message? Criminal? That's actually really toxic, bruh. You see me code live on stream, bro. Like, how can you say the kid baby's doing all the coding? First message, yeah. Asmongold played Astrobot, he did, yeah. When did he play that? A couple of... yesterday or something? Mr. Konaguri? That ties it back to our discussion yesterday, right? Where you think Astrobot deserved it. Oh, start planning for Windows 10 end of support. Starting in October 2025, Microsoft will no longer provide free security updates for Windows 10. We are reaching out to thank you for your loyalty to Windows, and that's why we're telling you now that we don't care about you because we don't provide any updates for you in the future, cause fuck you. But anyways, the Windows backup can help you transfer important files, photos and apps from your Windows 10 device to your new Windows 11 PC that you, by the way, can buy right here in the store for only $19.99. Thank you very much. Learn more about available resources to help you on your Windows journey. Remind me later, learn more. Fuck you! Oh, sorry. Sorry, Mr. Baby. Sorry. Oh my god. Sorry, Mr. Baby. Sorry. Well, she's fine, but god damn it, I'm stupid. I'm a dumbass. Don't swear near the child. Mr. Mad? Nah, it's a lady. Lady baby, but I say Mr. Baby. Mr. Baby. Mr. Papa. She needs something to play with, like a bottle or something. Why would you expect them to keep updating Windows 10 because it's a good operating system? Yeah, pretty recent. After the Game Awards, he seemed impressed and liked it. Still says Wukong is better, but it is. But I think it's a good watch. Just because the game is a legit good game and people are just hating it because of the internet. I see what you mean, bro. Can you maybe tell me, did you work on the game and maybe you get angry at those fucking noobs, retards, idiots online that don't know what they're talking about, that just go on Twitter to hate? But maybe you can't say it. But I get the impression that you're like somehow kind of connected to that. At least a little bit. Alright, my brothers. We are kind of debuffed by Zoe, and I don't 100% think I'm making a... Zoe, don't interrupt me. I'm talking. What are you doing? Thank you. Okay. Didn't work on the game? Okay. Now, I'm thinking about inserting a silver rat But I already have a silver red, which is here. It's like a gray red. So silver wouldn't really do much. So, no. Maybe I'm just gonna make the game drop an item in round 5. Rainbow red? What are you talking about, brother? No way. Huge. Cakes. Oh, Zoe is typing in chat.
Hello.
Cakes, this is the future of indie game music composition. What do you think about this? Is this a rickroll? Are you rickrolling me? Sound blocks alpha? I don't think so, but let's see.
I don't want to be like Cakes.
Sequence. No, I don't think so. Nah, you like so. That looks interesting, but no, I don't think so because, well, you still need to be artistically gifted to do this. My bad. This link is unlisted. This one is the correct one. Introducing sound. Nah, I don't know. Yeah, that's like a pre-made video. I mean, I guess I can watch it. Let's see here.
Introducing sound blocks,
Yeah,
a
okay.
playground for making music. Simply place a block anywhere, connect, and play.
Okay.
Wie mit dieser.
Okay, ganz schön.
Seht ihr eine Socke?
Ja, sie hat eine Socke verloren irgendwo. Weiß ich nicht. Ich nicht. Ah, ja. Sorry. Let me see. Sorry, I didn't pay attention.
Let's
It
check
does look
out some
fun.
of the melodic composition features.
Let's see here. So that's like 4. Maybe. Doesn't look very flexible. So let's go to guys. What is this music compositioning thing? Criminal Lad, by the way. Thank you very much for following earlier. What is this music composition thing online? And now we can get to work. Finally. What is this online music composition thing? That is free. Fruity Loops, no. It's very, very basic. I forgot the name. SoundCloud? No, it's not SoundCloud. Something IO, maybe? Wait, I might have it here. Let me see. Gamedev? Music composition? Ah, it's called Beatbox. So, like, what I'm missing here, and I could be totally wrong that this is not... they don't just... Don't allow... Just... Hello, Adrian. Good morning. There's basically chords. Different chords. I don't see chords in that video. Here. Chords are these... how does it... Is it called Balken in English again? What are Balken in English again? Balken in English. Balken in English. Keys? No, not keys. Vulkan bass. Thank you. These bars show the chords, the different chords. And so this would be one entire, I don't know, chord loop or something going from here down. And so you could like do something like and then I don't know. And then you play this. And so that's like a small... Wait, actually I did a mistake. That would be here. No. No, actually, I didn't mean to... Like, no. Yeah. Like that. So that's... Okay, that's like a melody. And it makes it very easy to place those because of the chords. And like, I don't see that here. I'm totally a noob when it comes to this. But that's as much as I learned. When you want to make a good... sounding melody, try to, you know, stick to those chords, to those, like these are their steps that make the music sound good, and you can go up an octave. Oh, it's octaves. Octaves. Ha! Remembered. I remembered. Completely. RPG or what? Your favorite style game? What is it? RPGs. I love RPGs. Big RPG fan. Yep. Let's see him.
Let's check out some of the melodic composition features.
They have octaves and stuff. Cakes. Just play the video. Okay.
The number of dots on a block represents the scale degree.
The scale
And you can also
octave,
play multiple
I guess.
sequences simultaneously.
I'm pretty sure you can make some really cool melodies in this just by playing around. Yeah. It's just a different way of visualizing things, which, I don't know, you would have to test it out, because looking at this visually, okay, if these are the octaves, the different octaves, I'm not gonna hate or anything, I just think that this is cleaner here, or clearer. And I can't sneeze. God damn it. Okay, so I tried to sneeze. God damn it. Oh. What is this? Boom. 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 Because now you would need to introduce... Now you need to introduce alterations. So let's say this is a melody that you chose to be there for the first, I don't know what you call these steps, but they are like steps that repeat. And so for the first five steps, you do this melody, and then you swap it out for a different melody that is differently composed. To make like, now it's like dun, dun, dun. And then it's like dun, 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 dun. Something like that. Looks fun to play with. Production-wise, not so sure. Yeah, because it's also about overview. But again, it's something new. Maybe it is. Control blocks.
You can spice up your sequence using control blocks.
Yeah, so basically they play speed, restart. I mean, yeah. I don't know about this, because for me a music piece is a wave. I don't see the wave here. Again, like I always bring this back to this. This is like a wave. It tells me dun 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 dun. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe, but I doubt it. Could be wrong though, because I'm not a big music person. Not impressed yet. Okay, is there more? build beautiful musical machines. If I get DMCA striked, I'm going to get very angry from this channel, okay? If you DMCA strike me, I'm gonna be mad, okay? I don't know, to be honest. I don't know. I like this more, to be honest. Hey, can you play, please? Bro, play. Play! From kids' perspective, it looks amazing. Because there's a reason to have these... To see the melody like a wave. You know, like, for those of you who ever played Final Fantasy VII, I'm gonna botch it so badly. But this is... Whoops. But this is what it looks like. I think it's here. It's gonna be... It's much longer, but it's essentially that. You guys probably remember the Final Fantasy, right? I don't have enough of those, but yeah. And it's much longer. But that's basically the Final Fantasy, the rhythm. The typical one. I don't think anyone gonna copyright that garbage. Ooh, my man. It's kind of hostile, brother. What are you talking about? That's very hostile, bro. Okay, let's see. So, I need to make a rat spawn a... That's the chromatic scale, isn't it? Yeah, I don't know what it's called, but there's some sort of thing, yeah. Okay, so let's begin here. We need to spawn an item or no, we need to make it so that one of these rats gives me an item. And the first item should not be the rusty sword. The first item should be the wooden sword. So let's get that first. Do tier 1. Now this is where we... Hey! Tier 1. Items. This is where we weight the sword correctly. So the first one is gonna be... First the rusty, then the wooden. Well, first the wooden, then the rusty. Rusted wood sword. So we're gonna give this a huge rating like before. Let's actually keep that. Like this. And then in-game chest open. There we go. And then this is where we need to make... is it here, actually? No. Darken window content. This is where we need to choose the correct weapon. Yeah, there we go. Scripting tutorial. Unlock the first weapon. SM assert. First unlock. And the first unlock, in my opinion, should not be the rusty... Hey! The first weapon should not be the rusty sword. Wooden sword. Hey. Item. Wooden sword. Okay, there we go. Rusted wood sword. Let me check here really quickly on YouTube. Noobs, retards who don't know what they're talking about. Dude, have you looked into a mirror? Shut the fuck up. Nimm dir eine Tüte mit.
Ja.
Das, was ich immer nehme, schwipp-schwapp.
Ich kann das nicht tragen. Das ist
Ja, dann gehe ich später selber. Alles gut. Dann gehe ich später selber. Ja, alles gut. Okay.
auch das Geld. Also wie diese schwarze Tasche.
Welche schwarze Tasche?
Schwarze Tasche.
Ohne die Sachen. Hier. Nice chat delay. This was when you still had the mini super core on your lab. Of course, it's not all context now. It's not lost all context. Yeah, well, the chat didn't update, brother. Sorry about that. Okay, we're gonna unlock this, but we need to make it unlock at like round 5 or something. Oh, guys, I have an idea. I'm going to spawn one rat in round 5 that will have 100% drop chance, always, to drop this item. Smart. So, let's see. Round 5. There we go. And where do I have the probabilities again? We're gonna have one rat that looks exactly like the fast rat, the dark rat. But what if it gets past? What if it gets past? That's a problem. So it needs to be a normal rat. Just like a normal rat. Enemy rat. Drop or something. Drop item. Rat. Hold on. Yeah. Yep. Yo. I didn't know Germans were still having babies. Huh? What are you talking about, bro? Of course we do. Where are you living? Where do you live that you have this opinion, bro? Huh? Okay, so we have this rat drop item, which looks exactly like the normal rat. So, which we probably... Actually, yeah, we can do this, actually. They're exactly the same. So I don't need to have 2 of these here. And then... Item drops. Or loot table. Yeah, loot table. Loot table. And then that will take this into account. And we say it drops 1 out of 1. Item, drop item. There we go. So now that it drops us tier 1 items, and then we go to round 5. There you go. And it spawns us normal rats. I'm gonna actually spawn this one rat. Here. Like, if you can't beat this one rat, bro, then I don't know what you can. Like, you gotta be able to beat that. It's the easiest. Okay, let's see. So, round 5. Let's try that again. Yeah. Oh, hit sounds. Oh my god, the hit sounds, of course. Like initialized. If it's not initialized, then we need to add a new hit sound to this. Yo, Cakez is online. What is a great Dienstag. Hey, Donny the Pony, that's awesome to hear. Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. We're currently balancing again. Hey, stop! What are you doing? Rat. Shut up! Rat. Item drop. Drop item. Just as a joke. Actually, I think I'm never toxic. You just read them out of context. You're toxic. You're actually toxic. You literally logged onto Discord, into the memes channel, made an account, just to keep the conversation going. And call yourself Cakez Conscience. That wasn't mean. I see. That wasn't mean. Of course, that wasn't mean. Excuse me. Just as a joke, I read that this recently German's birth rate has been declining in recent years, reaching a 10-year low in 2024. That's not only happening in Germany, bro. That happens everywhere. The Germans are not... what is it called? The only ones affected by this. That's happening in the US too. People are just scared of not having enough money to feed the baby. And oftentimes they want to be successful first before they have a baby. So they spend time on the job first, on their careers. And yeah, it's also gotten, a lot of stuff has gotten more expensive. Can you upload me online? Can I upload you online? What's happening today, bro? Like, where do you guys come from? What do you mean, can I upload you online? Upload what? Huh? Good morning, sir. But that's a bit odd, bro. What are you talking about? I don't have any upgrades other than shield orbs. And this is where we have to, by the way... Hey, stop. I clicked X. Upload me too. Cakes. I have finished a game jam. And now I want to play some games outside of the mainstream genres. Do you recommend something? What game should deserve more visibility in your opinion? Ooh. I don't know. Which type of games are you into, bro? I mean, Germany isn't a real country anyway. It's a vassal state. You think we left you after losing so many GIs and giving you money for the Marshall Plan? Your property. We let you believe. Lol. Where do these people come from today? Cakes is someone who has no money and no career and still not got a baby. It seems like the other Germans are pussies. Yeah, they are. They're actually pussies, yes. If you earn 2K a month, you can have a baby. And most people earn double that alone. If you earn 2K a month, past taxes, of course. Oh, hi YouTube, Twitch is better, ha 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 ha. Twitch is better. Twitch has a better chat experience, bro, true. Moin, Ismov. Hello there, good morning. How's it going, man? Alright, we're gonna fix shield orbs. I feel like they are perfectly aligned though, they don't look bad. But actually they should look better. Okay, wait. Have an idea. Let's add the colliders here, show colliders. And then do step debugging. Oof, difficult to say here. Difficult to see. Okay, we need to fix shield orbs one last time. Shield orbs. What's going on today? Like, I do shield orbs. I search that, but it doesn't find that. Excuse me. Yo, hello, Inchmain, Return Zero. Good morning. What is this? What are you doing, Red? What is this? Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. We're currently balancing again. Hey, stop! What are you doing? Red? Shut up! Red. I hate that. Item drop. Drop item. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Great. Would you recommend starting off to learn game dev without understanding Boolean and all of that cool stuff, or should I just go and just learn C++? You need to learn C++ first before you start learning game development, because C++ has some basics that you need to be aware of to get started. Of course. Would you recommend? So yeah, I would do that for sure. You need to know the basics of what's possible. No, yes, of course. You need to know at least how to write a function. You need to know what a Boolean is. How do you expect to make a game? So what I'm advocating for here is not you spending a month to learn C++. I'm advocating for a tutorial that gets you started in 4 hours, 5 hours. You do this one day, sit down for 4 or 5 hours, make yourself a nice cup of tea or coffee or whatever you want to do, maybe have some cookies next to you, and then you're just gonna do the tutorial. You follow along with the tutorial, let's say over a weekend, and then you have your basic understanding of C or C++, whatever programming language you want to use, Odin, Zig, whatever, Rust. And then you start making your game. You go in as fast as possible. But you need to know at least the basics. The basics are really important. What engine is this? This is my own engine, made in C++. It's basically C-like C++ game. Cakez told me, Matt, what are you talking about? Oops, too hard for starters because it doesn't make sense. That's your opinion, bro. Although I don't do C++ stuff in C++, I studied in school, which helped me out a lot, yeah. Ah, okay, then I shall learn C++. I do have some tutorials, but I need to expand outside of school. Yes, you should. You should never rely on school, because school can only teach you so much. And also, usually, I'm not gonna attack anyone directly, but usually the school teachers are also not that great. That's just my own opinion. My honest opinion. I feel like there are some really good ones. I'm not saying that, but oftentimes they're not. How a Turing machine works, learn that first, and then Frotan, you have now you have the basics. Okay, I feel like that's a bit much. Luckily, I do online school, lol. Oh, you do online school? Then just, you know what the best online school is? Apart from, obviously, personal feedback. Is YouTube. Go to YouTube. Keeps ordering stuff. Okay. Are you working at a game company currently? I'm trying to get a game dev job. I'm not. I am working for a company, but I'm not doing game development stuff. I'm working for web development stuff company. I do web development in my not free time, in my job, essentially. Now, let's see here. Overlapping, shield orbs, effect, hit. For all of the enemies, quads. Is this the shield orb thing? No, that's not. Shield orbs. Ah, there we go. Game dev job. Good luck on a 4-year career. You mean because the game dev studio will shut down? Yeah, maybe it will. Smart pointers. You will learn about smart pointers most likely in those. However, oftentimes what I've seen in those tutorials, they touch on this very lightly. They don't go very deep into that because a pointer is a pointer, and that's what you need to learn first before you can learn a smart pointer. And so you will oftentimes just learn the pointer and then you can expand your knowledge if you want to. Smart pointers aren't very intelligent, but you, as a beginner, you don't know what they're doing. That's the point. Okay, let's see, the center. Yeah, and in my opinion, it should... Missile position. For every missile... Oh wait, that's spawning them. Center, missile direction, range. Okay, that sounds good to me. And then update missile position. Center. Where's the center again? Where's that coming from? Position origin. No, it should be the center. Oh no, get center. There you go. Excuse me. Yeah, get center. Oh, I see. The value of owner. Yeah, now we have the center. And so already doing this will make the shields probably move up. Which... yeah, so they now moved up a little bit, I guess. Did they? No, they didn't. Now I'm confused even more. Hey? Previous position, previous noise. Hit timer, position is center, direction range. Hit noise. Render quad. Missile position plus noise. Ah, the shield orb shield has its own... I see. In assets, shield orb or shield orb shield. Wait, is it shield orbs shield? Shield orb. Let's search that. Shield orbs. Shield orbs hit. Shield orb. Is that it? Yeah, it has -12. There we go. Shouldn't have anything. Or Cakez YouTube videos for sure. Does anyone know Picuma? Picuma the Dot. I recommend that for learning C++. Or Cakez video to... What is your problem, Mr. Gunnarsnymphicus, huh? I don't like your attitude, bro. Okay, so that makes these shields properly aligned. Good. And now we are getting really close now. Nice. Then that's the glow. That's exactly where the shield is it? Where is it? It actually is. Cool. Why is chat so evil? I don't know. I don't know. So, like, I'm trying really hard to make good videos for these guys. Trying to, you know, encourage them to make games. Like Gunnarsnymphicus, for example. Or Inokai. But no. They just keep being mean. Chat is wholesome. Let's see here. This is the glow. That's where the missile is. The shield sprite. Ah, yeah. Okay, so we don't have the pivot offset. I don't want that, actually. Do I need the shield sprite now? I don't. Perfect. Actually, we do now. Because the shadow is where the position is. Plus the shield... sprite.size.y divided by 2. At least. Let's see that. Ooh. Ooh. And then the previous position plus the shield sprite.size.y divided by 2. I guess. Ah, I see. That's on a vector too, of course. Obviously, because they are greatly artisan code is close to C, not C++. This is the reason, obviously. Artisan code. What is this? What does that mean? I'm gonna Google this, mister. Handgefertigter Code. Obviously, because they're greatly artisan code is close to C, not C++. This is the reason, obviously. No, I have to be toxic in it, and I have not been toxic today yet, you dog. You dragged me into this? Noobs, retards. Who doesn't know what they're talking about? Dude, have you looked into a mirror? I feel like that's toxic. Prove me wrong. Artisanal. Most jobs in the tech are shitty. There are a lot of buzzword startups, lots of companies with shitty processes. It's all good opportunity to learn though, but it's hard to land a job that you actually enjoy for a long time. Really? Isn't working on a game that you believe in a dream job for most people? Like, who of you guys would like to work for a AAA company, and what AAA company would that be? So for example, if I was gonna go for a job, I would want to work for Grinding Gear Games or From Software. You would want to work for Rockstar, yeah? Most people gonna end up making shitty mobile games for kids. Like as the entry point to game development, Diamond, is that what you're saying? Cakes, when you read this message, you will forget you ever were gay. What are you talking about, bro? Ah! I never was. Blizzard so that I can harass females? Eh? I don't... Oh, it's supposed to be 0 and then Y. Nice, it worked. He thinks somebody would employ him. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I would be employed, yes. Yeah, of course. I think someone would employ me. I think I'm doing some good job with programming and doing my own game in C++. Unironically. Okay, now let's draw the collider here. A missile collider. Game state. I think it's debug rect. Debug box, I guess. Is it an actual box? Debug box is it a rectangle or it's a rect, yeah. Dot box is missile collider, and then dot render data, dot material color blue, I guess. We're gonna make that blue, and then game state render no, debug boxes dot add debug box, and then we only do this if has options option render option draw colliders. If we have the colliders option, then I want to add the debug box here so that we can see where this is drawn. Where the what do you mean SMS search? Why? Why would you do that? Is this calling? I'm confused.
I love Cakez, dirty dog fucker, no soap, no skill, no original ideas, balloons, steal a bastard, no clue, no knowledge, no games.
Thank you very much for the raid, Mr. Jacob. Good morning. This code is looking very good.
Stop streaming, okay, champ.
Thank you, sir. Hope you're doing good. So I saw your title. You're reworking your engine. Why? What's going on? Oh, oops. What's going on? Hello, Asian. Good morning. Most friendliest Cakes viewer. No, I know why. It's all of it is good. Oh, I was so scared for a second. Okay, good. Hope you're doing good. And your game is progressing, bro. Alright, let's see here. Shield orbs. Give this to him. Hey, dude, I clicked on this. I literally clicked on this. Hey, what do you mean, update? I'm such a fucking idiot. No. I'm stupid. So we need to get the missile collider here. He probably won't read my response. I'm trying to use proper strings instead of character pointers, aka struct with character pointer and length. Why? What is the reason for that? That sounds like an odd rework. Why would you do that? Is that in preparation for localization, or what is the reasoning behind this? And who convinced you to do this? Interesting. To do attack enemies could be heroes too? Yeah, we'll see. Cakes, this code is looking very good. Thank you, Iffy. Cakes is doing the right thing. Prostitute as a web dev to pay the bills and work on his game on the rest of the time. Yeah, you have to do that actually, yes. Coderat Games did this too. Really smart guy. Excuse me. Let's see. We're gonna place this guy here. This guy here too. Working for a huge company as a solo dev in our branch is quite fun, even if it's not game dev. So, let's see if this works. That's a box? Wait a minute, I'm confused now. Don't we have a... Huh? Don't I have a rectangle or something? Wait, I only have circles? And this is a box? An actual box? That's a rext, though. Huh? What the... Huh? Okay, I'm gonna do debug rects. Debug rects. And also only 20? Let's do like 50 something. It's kind of bad to only have 20. Probably want way more. Right, debug box. Debug rect. Rect. And then over here in the game, update and draw debug. What's that? Debug boxes. 4. Ah, there we go. Excuse me. Goodness. Annoying. It's just nice to always know the length. Makes the string operation nicer. Don't need to have a bunch of string length everywhere. It's not needed at all though. It's just my way of getting back into programming the game. Oh, I see. That's good. Whatever brings you back into the game. So, but I have to ask this question too. What is currently holding you? Making progress, gameplay-wise. Not talking about your engine. Because you could always work on your engine. You know that. What is holding you gameplay-wise? What are you trying to achieve? Blender? You're telling me that it is non-programming related. That's holding you. Art skill issues. So you mean that your art sucks or something? Or what are you trying to say here? Or is Blender like so annoying to use? He's too busy watching your amazing reacts. Yeah, I can see that. I actually have a really juicy react coming up, Mr. Inukai. Actually, multiple. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gonna work on that too. Today, actually. Just wait. I'm trying to make a huge batch for next year. For this year, to the end. You're gonna love it. Love it! Debug. Rect. Debug. Rect. Debug rect. We are going to make, by the way, we're going to make huge progress in the game today. We already added in the first item drop. We're going to add in a second item drop. And we'll try to play the game and get to round 30 today. Round 30. Okay. Mark my words. Draw quad. That's gonna be debug rect. I need to make models. Mesh plus animations plus texturing. And that's just the worst thing ever. Ooh. And you cannot pay someone. Well, what is the thing here? To do that. Is that the reason? Debug rocked, debug rect. And then draw data. Mr. Supercool, how did you do that? How did you do it? Did you pay someone to do the art for you? When you did it? Because you did some decent art, I would say, in 3D. Thank you very much, Jeff Ekan, for following. No money, I see. Can't you do something like this? No, I'm not saying that you should do it. Because I'm a total noob. But can't you do something like Thronefall? Isn't this like 3D kind of thing? Can't you do something like this? Isn't that decently easy? To, like, a tree is just, I don't know, a cone that looks like this. That looks reasonably easy to do. And it has like a nice appeal to it because it's an art style. I want human models for towers, kind of like Warcraft 3. I see. Well, you have human models here too. They're just kind of like Warcraft 3. Oh wow, bro, you're trying to do Warcraft 3 models? Oh man. Well, better book a Blender course then. Cone? I don't. Well, it's not a cone, of course. I don't know what this thing is called. Spitze Pipeline oder so in English, but low poly like Minecraft Dungeons. I see. I see. So, I mean, bro, I have like a really cool content idea for you, bro. I tried Blender every day for 30 days. This is how I improved. Big content. And then you show your first. And you show your first model. And you show your last model. Easy money. Easy subscribers on YouTube. Content brain, no game. No, like that's actually game too, bro. What are you talking about? You just sit down. So you have to learn it anyways. You just merge it with doing content at the same time. If he needs to learn how to do models in Blender, why not just do a content idea like that, where he needs to sit down anyways? It's like an additional incentive, and then he just uploads, I don't know, the cut versions of this, maybe sped up by 5 times or 10 times to YouTube, and then says what he learns over time. You narrate what you learned over time, over the video, and say like, oh, day 1, I had no idea what I was doing, but you know, like, okay, was a reasonable good result. So day 2, I learned about that little option right here, which allows you to do blah, 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 and then at day 30, this is my result at the day 30, you know, 10 minutes later. I think that would be a great video. There's many videos like that out there. You know, I should have done it when I first started learning pixel art. I didn't. Now the recordings are way too old and I can't find them anymore, and I would lie. But it's a good idea. When did you do Blender? I did Blender so long ago, I totally forgot like half of the options. I'm pretty sure I'm a total noob. Don't ask me. Absolutely no idea, bro. Anyways, that could be an incentive. You don't have to do it. Obviously, right? But yeah. Just... if it's holding you up, it also enforces you to become a little bit more consistent in learning it. TCAP put again, we'll all leave here to watch you start this. I need to help my wife really quickly to bring in the groceries from the grocery store. Give me a second, okay? 1 second. Wen soll der denn sein hier? Ah. Ja, ist gut. Die Katze zumachen. Look, my wife brought me salami sticks. Awesome. Can you see them? Thank you. Cakez. Inukai capping hard on YouTube. I wanted to take a break from YouTube anyways. You're so efficient, Cakes. I wish I could release games as fast as you. The secret is to be hyper-focused. Look at Cakes. He's been constant flow for the past hour. I've been in flow and engaging with chat at the same time, bro. You're wrong. I'm currently debugging my shield up ability. You're wrong. I'm trying to make it follow their attack pattern or their attack circle properly. And I'm trying to debug... Oh god. So why is that happening? Why is it drawing this 10 million? Because it's not cleaning it, of course. Debug rects. After doing that, I need to clean them. Debug boxes clear. Yeah, debug rects clear. Forgot to do that. Obviously, then it won't work. Thank you, Rebel, for actually you already followed. But Chef Ekam, thank you so much for following earlier, bro. Hello, sir. Good morning, Mr. Cakez. Hey, Klaus Greiner. Good morning, sir. Hello, my brother. What's going on? I would like to really get to round 30 today. Let's see. Because that will bring us very close towards the end of the demo, or the first demo version. Let's see here. Let's get some meat. Chunk on some meat. I love it. All right. I think you are probably a terrible programmer, but I like your personality. Sure, you can like my personality for 5 minutes in peace. Bitch. It's mid-European beef jerky. It is... Yeah, it's... I don't know. It's really expensive. I don't know why she bought the expensive ones. She could have bought the cheap ones too. Salami sticks. What up? Hey, XYZ Studio. Good morning. Okay. This looks better. Oh, wow. Okay, let's get rid of the colliders. I think now shield orbs look good. And they feel good to use too. Very nice. Staccatos are so good. Yeah, they are. They are really good. But, you know, bro, they also have sugar in it. Holy, I just found 200 gold in this round. What the hell? That's crazy. Hey! How did I leak? Bro! Huh? Something is off. I should have found an item. I didn't. I should have found an item. Why didn't I find an item on round 5? How to start rounds. Let's turn this off. Let's see here. I should have actually found an item already. Let's get cooldown reduction. Okay, in the next round there should be one red. One red. This red right here should drop an item. Should it? It is 1 out of 1. It's not dying though. Is it dying? It died and didn't drop me an item. Okay. So we have to figure out why. Loot. Table. A red drop item. It is 1 out of 1. So if I roll a random number, maybe I should do 10 out of 10. Unlucky. Okay, we're gonna do a simple if check here to test if when we get to this random, because it's a random range int from 1 to 1. Shouldn't that be 1 then? Let's see. Give him sheer drops too. Hä? 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 Round 5. Bro. Round 5. I'm stupid. It wasn't dropping. I wasn't spawning a drop item, rats. I see. Sorry. Okay. Now it works. There we go. Aha. Random int 1. Good. Works. Nice. So that rat will always drop us a chest from now on. And the player will be able to tell that this rat will drop us an item because it is always going to be one white rat in this wave, if that makes sense. Oh my god, I'm leaking. Holy. I'm actually leaking. You know what, guys? You know what? I'm going to spawn a round before round 5. Because I feel like... Hey, what are you doing? I feel like round 5 is unable to... We can... Well, we could beat it with more units. Let's try this again. Wait. So we have 310 money. I can get 2 upgrades. Let's see. Are we still getting overwhelmed? No, we don't. If we spend all of our money, we don't. Do we, though? No, we don't. Okay, so it is possible. What if you can reposition a Tangy for gold? That will be like an ability later on. Been playing Witcher 3 and I hear this music playing in my dreams. Because it's a great game, bro. It is. I think you forgot to rename it to Red Drop Item in your level setup. Yeah, thank you. It was actually, that was the problem. Let's see. Item drops. We have this. I feel like, no, I'm going to stagger this a little bit more. Round 5. So in round 5, I want to spawn this rat here. So we're going to duplicate round 5. This would be a drop. First item. And there we put the rat in. After we spawned a couple of fast rats. And then over here we do Shift R. Round 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look, guys, we already have 28 rounds, which is when the boss will spawn. Isn't that great? Okay, so let's work on round 5. And it's best for me to work on this here. Now, they both have the same visuals. They have the same actual round. Number 1, we have to get rid of the drop item spawn from the round 6. And I want to keep round 6 the same way. And then in round 5, I kind of want to do fast rats. Then spawn the drop rat after 20 seconds. Let's see. Should be like here somewhere, maybe. Yeah, it spawns 1. And then it will drop... it will spawn normal rats. And a couple of fast rats, but later. Hey, bro. Random int is random int less than drop chance, true, false. Well, it's already true or false. Has anyone ever seen a speculative application without feeling weird about it? Do I have undead rats already? I don't, right? They spawn around 7. Okay. Enemy fast. We have the drop item, then we have fast enemies. I guess I'm gonna do 1.2. Spawn 20. And then dribble in like 10. 2.4 every now and then. And that would be 26 point... Let's do this here. They start on 26. And then over here that would be 26.6. Let's take a look at that. It's kind of the same feel for both rounds, but they're more spaced out. Looking good. Alright, let's test this. Good. Now round 5 has this 1 rat in it. That's too many. It shouldn't spawn 36. It should spawn like 24 or something. So that's already too many. Because my units can barely survive. And I need to spend all my upgrades. That's bad game design. Let's take a look at that. How does that look in the editor? Okay, then we can inch this forward a little bit to like 16. And then this will be 20. And this will be 20.6.
So like Mr. Real Super Cool, how's your game coming along, by the way, brother? Just a quick question.
How far have you gotten, bro? Alright, let's see. Yeah, I like that a lot. So round 5 is less dangerous than round... Also, we're gonna space this out by 0.5. And then over here, I had a cool idea now. We're going to space these two. We're gonna space these two into 2 paths. Some fast rats spawn there, the other fast rats spawn there. Some of them spawn at 0.2. And then 36, that would be 18, I guess. Both of them are 18. With an offset. Let's look at how that looks in the editor. Oh, yeah. But man, that spawns too many. Wait. That's bad. So this one needs to start at 0.4, and then this is 0.8, and then this is 0.8. I'm making progress, man. I'm happy. Cool. And 24 of those, 0.5. Let's test. I set up a TD project Sunday evening, just for the heck of it. I mean, that's a good choice, because you're learning in real time, together with me, how to balance a TD game. Isn't that great? Mr. Real Super Cool, does it help you watch me balance a TD game? Like, do you think what I'm learning, like real talk, I think this is really important. Do you think that what I'm learning right now, when I'm making this, that this is good stuff that we are learning? Or like when it comes to a tower defense game, of course, not like an RPG game or whatever, a tower defense game. Do you think that this is like some interesting stuff? Talking about the, no random clip right now, bitch. You're not getting a random clip right now. I post the donations. Notifications, not donations. No. So, for example, the stuff that we learned about the diminishing returns on money earned when killing Bloons in Bloons CD, or the stuff that they introduce a new Bloon every, like over the course of 17 rounds, they introduced 5 new Bloons. I think you would learn more from the random clip. Cakez, you're still on track with the demo. Looks like you still have a lot to do. So releasing by the end of the next year is maybe too close. Don't stress yourself out and aim for the end of 2026. Guys, do you know what I told the Steam guy if he asked me for the new release date? I told him 2024. No, 24. No, the 24. Wait. The 24th December of 2027. Not trying to be toxic, but the most important thing I learned was not to do items, equip and skill trees aware. That's fine. I agree with you. You shouldn't do that. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me what, guys, what we are learning right now is game development. Why? You learned that, but why? Can you put it into words why that is? It's totally fine. Like, I can see why he says that, but I want to hear from him why. I don't think it's auto-releases even after that date, Cakez. Too much effort, plain and simple. You're correct. It's much easier to have a unit have a predefined upgrade to say that this unit now shoots cannonballs instead of tossing bananas or whatever. Now that is a big upgrade and you have this locked in. Now you just have to balance this one upgrade and you can always have a nice visual upgrade on your unit. The payoff in making a fun game might not be straightforward. Try not to stress yourself out in the release date in 2030. Gentlemen, so we meet once again. Hello Benito on YouTube. Good morning, Mr. Gentleman. TK1 didn't want to mention your game, but I see and saw the struggles. Yeah, TCAP has the same problem that I have, yes. No, actually... let me remove my background. I don't know why that is on. TCAP has the same struggle that I have, yes. He needs to find a way to make the upgrades for his towers and the skill tree, the meta progression that he has. He needs to find a way to make that engaging and fun. Because you can see him dropping all kinds of items while he's defeating enemies. And so making that fun and engaging without making it overly complicated so that 90% of people quit the first couple of minutes is going to be difficult. Which is why, like, I think that TCAP should bring out a demo version on Steam. Just to get some feedback. Because I think that will help a lot. Anyways, let's see here. So round 5. We're gonna find a new item now, guys. Cooldown, projectile speed. Yeah, TCAP demo, please. No, I think, actually, I think so. Oh, wow, man, that's a lot of money. Wonder why that's so much. There we go, he dropped the item. Fuck! Why? Of course. Of course. Of course. Of course, sir. Forgot to put this in an else. Guys, you know, it's all coming together. It is all coming together. You don't see it, but I see it. It is all coming together. Okay? The item unlocks, the upgrades on the units, the skill trees, meta progression not so much, still left out a little bit, like on the sidelines there. But meta progression, the gold earned in the game, and the next thing that we're gonna work on, Abev actually wrote that to me too, and we're gonna work on that, is stats on the units. It goes all as planned. No, it doesn't go all as planned, but it's coming together. It's starting to make sense. Let's load back our round 5. Look. So we are now in round 5, and I think it feels... Let's start again. Let's start again. Completely new, fresh, safe. Excuse me. Let's start again and see how it feels to play the game for the first 5 rounds until we drop our first item. Maybe it should be in round 4. We'll see. Because round 5 introduces the mage. Maybe I need to stagger that a bit later. Because if I give the player the mage to place, he costs like 320 monies. That's a lot of money. So yeah. You say you didn't plan it? No, what I planned was the idea. But the execution never really came together until now. It's starting to come together until now. Like all of these tiny things. Like leveling up after round 1. Boom. Having enough money to... what is it called? To buy an upgrade after round 1. Then balancing that upgrade, of course. The resistances of enemies countering your first unit. Adding a counter to that counter to the first unit. Or introducing a new unit that counters the armor. Can you explain the save state in your game, how it works, Cakez? The save state, like me loading the game like this? You mean this right here? I can, but I need to go to the bathroom first, okay, sir? So give me a second, please. I'll go to the bathroom and then I'll tell you. Yes, it's very simple. Like, if you know what a binary file is, you already know what it is. Give me a second, okay? I think we're good here. Now I need to, yeah, mute your mic. What do you mean mute your mic? Why would I do that, bro? Give me a second. Alright, I'm back. Yo, hello there, Edo for you. Good morning, sir. Yeah, it's a lot of work. It's like a GD, but with the content of the whole ass RPG, I would rather pick any popular Warcraft 3 TD and clone them, or just like just do it like Cakez and do reacts instead of work. Good day. Hey, Mind, my man. Good day. Good morning and collector stuff. Good day to you too, bro. Let's see here. TCAP, I worked on a Pogo sequel, a wild platformer, a couple of months ago, but nah, didn't work out. Pogo stuck to rage with your family. It's just saving the stage and reloading everything, yeah. It's basically just a binary file that I saved to the disk. I can show you what it looks like. What is it called? Actually, I think it's called game state or something. Let me see. Test JSON, save backup. I don't even know what I'm saving it as. Assets, maybe? I don't even know what the save is called, to be honest. Does any one of you see a binary file? Save.cake? It's definitely not save.cake. That's the save game. I don't know what it's called. Check by modification date? Nah, I'm just gonna check in code. Key K. Oh, I call it game state.text. Okay. So basically what I do is I write a file called game state.text into from the game state. So basically I take the game state, which is a pointer, to data. I take the pointer to data, convert that to a character pointer, and write all of that into a text file. And then when I load it, I load the same text file back into the game state. And then I overwrite the game state with the loaded data. So I'm effectively loading in. We can take a look at how long or how much that actually is. I'm loading in 32 megabytes of data into my game state. So I'm saving 32 megabytes and then I'm loading 32 megabytes. That's what I'm doing. And that allows me to always load the game back to its original state, going back like an emulator state essentially. And that helps a lot with debugging the game. Let me check on YouTube if there's new messages. If I missed some, I'm sorry. Binary and text. What a rascal. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. I think I called it TXT file because chat back then tried to trigger me. And then I did it on purpose. I just called it TXT file on purpose. Okay, so we have a couple of rounds here. We have no upgrades on the units, apart from the shield orbs, of course. Boom. We can get a new one here. Let's get the war banner. I want to do this in Godot, but I realized it's more complicated there than in C++. What do you want to do in Godot, Mr. I am Emo? I lost some context. How can an engine be more annoying to use than C++ or more complicated? Save states? Oh, I see. You're trying to save the state like I do, but in Godot it's different. I get it now. I see. Well, that would be difficult. You're right. Okay, so this is round 4. Round 4 is kind of difficult to do, but it's possible. With shield orbs though, only. Oh wow, round 4 is big. Wait, round 4 is actually difficult. Round 4? Wait, I need to exchange round 4 with round 5. Or maybe get rid of round 4 completely. This is when we unlock the mage. I feel like I need to unlock the mage later. Because the first thing that I should give the player is an item. And I think that should happen on round 4. And then the mage comes at round maybe 6, 7. Yeah, round 4 will be item. Which means this drop item red will come here. And then I'm gonna give the player an easy round. Let's see what that looks like. Round 4. So it spawns here. Has enough time to be killed. I feel like in round 4 I also want to make sure that there's not spawning as many. So we're gonna do 24 at least. Spawn 2 less. Okay, this is the thing. And then we need to go to the scripting event. Scripting event. Scripting event, unlock items. Unlock first time playing. Place 0. Show skill tree. Right click enemies. Unlock items. What about the mage? Mage. Don't I have an array of unlocks here somewhere? Item rarity, power-ups, effect, stat, string, damage types, items, globals. There's more enemy prefabs, hit sounds, tutorials. Ah, tutorials. Tutorial explain. I see. No, that's not it. Sorry. JK. Serialized spawn data. Load spawn data. Hero rewards. Ah, there we go. Event. So these are events. I get it now. Okay, so event. Reach round 6. Okay, and then 6. Oh, wait. That's bad. Stop it. Round 6. Then round 12. I think round 12 is a good round so far. And then that will be round 18. Kill Pirate King. Yeah, so let's see. Round 12. Round 18. Stagger this a bit more. And then over here we have round 6. Which means that needs to be 6. And that's round 6. Round 6. And that's 12. This needs to be 12. 12. 12. And that's 18. 18. 18 and 18. Cakez is right, interrupting the player mid-game with a option screen where there's only one option is some troll shit. You are wrong. You are wrong. You are wrong. You are wrong. Wrong, 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 wrong. Wrong, 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 wrong. Wrong, 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 wrong. Wrong, 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 wrong. I can also give him the ranger. At this point, it doesn't really matter. Because then over here we can give him the healer, ranger, or the mage. The healer, ranger, or the mage. One of the two is fine. It seems weird to get a screen that prompts you to with a choice, but you only get one option. Feels it would be better to allow... Thank you so much for raiding, brother. And also, let me unpause notifications. Welcome. You would have 24,000 FPS with Vulkan? Maybe. Maybe. But in order to write that, thank you very much for the raid. You would most likely spend half your life.
Sag.
Good morning. How's it going, you guys? Welcome from you're the Linux community, guys. Welcome. I saw your... I don't know how to say your name, T2. I'm just gonna say T2. I saw your description and you had to plug your Linux kernel in your description. I knew it. That's when I knew. We're talking to a Linux person here. Good morning. That's awesome. We are currently debugging our game and making it better, like changing tiny things. And one of those tiny things, actually, let me restart completely. Whoops. Now we have the mage spawning on round 6. Or maybe, well, the mage event reach round 6, yeah. Arch, by the way, yeah. Well, we'll see. I'm gonna give you guys 2 options, but I like the idea of giving you the option to get the mage so that you have... Well, it's an investment, isn't it? So, the defender gets a first weapon at round 4. Let's see. Let's go here first. We get introduced, then we get into level up, round 2. Okay, then we use that. as our first ability. Oh, we got lucky. Shit. I did not mean to get lucky. God damn it. I don't want to get lucky like that. For someone who switched from Windows to Linux, what is the obsession with stating your Linux variant everywhere? I don't understand. I don't understand either. You would have to ask someone that does that. I do not know. Maybe it's like a secret message to all of the Linux users out there. If you are in the correct camp or not. It's like someone that's using Linux, guys. Why do you always plug your Linux kernel? Arch, by the way. What is the reason for that? Maybe there are clans. Yeah, like a guild, right? Like in an MMORPG. You're like, I'm part of this guild. You're wearing this as a badge of honor below your name at all times. True, that could be it. Maybe you're onto something. Because you don't want to be mistaken for someone who can't configure Debian and therefore is using Ubuntu. That would be me. Hey, I'm leaking. Oops. I think that's fine though, because this is the round. Oof, 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 oof. Keep calm and use Arch. Plug. Plug, yeah. Oof. I can't believe I'm leaking. Still leaking. Alright, so this will be the first unlock and that will be the wooden sword. Attack speed and physical damage. So we can get some stronger attacks on the enemies and we kill them faster. Awesome. That first upgrade is meaningful because it not only gives us attack speed, but it also turns 4 hits into 3 hits on killing the enemies. So you get much better coverage on killing them when they come. And so round 5 should feel like a breeze, which it does. Cool. Very nice. So that's nice. And then after round 5 is over, we get introduced to a new event, a new hero. Is that how I want it? Ranger Tangy specializes in ranged combat using ice and fire. And poison. Ice, fire and poison. At the moment. It's not just ice and fire. Only Linux users that plug a distro are Arch and Nix users. Santa Cakes. Hello, Icy Boys. Good morning, man. Let's see. Choose hero. In-game In-game choose hero. Why is it not called in-game choose hero? Why did I not name it in-game choose hero when it literally says choose a hero? Or maybe it's a in-game Tangy. No, it's not. Ah! What is it? We're gonna figure this out. We are figuring this out now. I'm stupid. I should have never changed level speed. Input. In-game UI. Okay, modals. Intro. Unlock. I called it unlock hero. Okay, wait. In-game choose hero. There you go. For next time when I search this, I can search these in 2 ways. There we go. So that's how I, by the way, that's how I operate. No, sorry, not operate. That's how I navigate through my big code file. I have these names for the local scopes, just like functions, and then I'll try to search for those. So this is the choose hero modal, which I want to draw the items. So for example, the ranger here, he actually has items. Overlays for every hero choice. We draw the idle sprite. There we go. We draw this. And then we also draw items from the hero data. And then we need to do hero data dot position origin is choice position. Let's try that. Choice position. Idle sprite. Let's do const here. Const. Then we position the hero properly. Why is the sprite size important? Yeah, okay. And then over here, that is hero data.position origin. And over here, we draw the items on top, which means since it's a UI, I think I have a rendering option UI where I want to draw that on the UI layer. And in order to do that, it needs to be on top. So that would be +1 here and then -3 here. Because now we should be able to draw the items on those, hopefully. And by the way, Lucas, thank you very much for following. Yeah, that worked perfectly. Why? Why is it not drawing the items? Huh? Why? F11. Wait, F5? The second choice is the Ranger. Why are you not drawing it properly, brother? Ranger idle, F11. Draw armor. Draw armor. Yeah. We have 1 armor on the unit. It draws it. There is position origin. Rendering options UI. Draw sprite. It's not drawing it. Why are you not drawing it, brother? Why not? What am I doing wrong? Oh, that's mem copy, of course. Oh god, I hate that. Don't you guys hate this too? Where you're trying to inspect a function in Visual Studio Code and it just won't bring you into the function, but it brings you into the memcopy.asm file. How can I get rid of that? It opens me the memcopy.asm file instead. Hello there, Avavauta. Good morning, sir. Let me see here. Size 32 by 32, pivot, rendering options. Blah, blah, blah. Looking fine so far, actually. Layer 3? Layer 3? Fuck, I was in the middle of my Asen summoning tutorial and he just appeared. Couldn't even finish. Okay, bro. Draw quad. How do I stop this from opening up this memcopy asm file? Guys, do you know that? It really bothers me. F10. So it draws a UI quad. Maybe it's the layer. But a layer 3? How does that come into play? That makes no sense. How do you get layer 3? In front of hero layer. How's the hero layer? Ah, hero layer. I see, so it draws the... How do I do this on the other one then? Let me see. Hero list. And then over here, draw items. It takes the hero data. Do I have layer stuff on the hero? Ah, I do. That's the important part here. I understand. Okay, so that's why it doesn't show up. I understand, thank you. So what we would need to do here is set the layer to the UI's layer. But when? But when? Maybe here. We'll see. Alright, okay, so now it should hopefully draw me all of the items on the characters. And we can move on. Are we done? Huh? We good? Oh my god, it's not scaled! Fuck! It's there, but it's not the correct size. custom engine, by the way. Bro, this would happen in any engine. What are you talking about, bruh? This would happen in any engine. Fuck. What do I do here? Not in Godot, you're wrong, it would. So maybe I just don't draw the items. Maybe I just don't draw it, I show them as they are. Half-Life 3 coming before new demo. Just wait, bro, just wait. Maybe I'm just not gonna draw the items for now. It's fine. We don't. Definitely no. Yeah, just not gonna do that then. It's fine. Holy. Oh my. Oh wow. Holy. What the hell? Oh yeah, wait. -2. Okay, so, well, I'm gonna give you guys these. Let's do the Ranger description. Texts. Stop it. Ranger description. There you go. Deal a lot more damage. Ranger. No, not Ranger. Okay. Ice and fire. Fire and ice. I'm gonna lose my mind in a second! Okay, wait. It is called Specializes in Ranged Combat. Specializes in ranged combat using fire, ice, and green poison. Let's test this. Cakez, it's always let you stop. Skill issue, then you wait. If you always let skill issue stop you, then you would have nothing. Draw the items. No, because it's not needed right now. There's no reason to do this right now. It won't add much to the gameplay at all. The important information is explaining what the unit does. Nobody knows it's a ranger otherwise. What are you talking about? It literally says Ranger Tangy. What are you guys talking about? We are wasting our time with this. We are wasting our time with this stuff. Okay? This is not needed right now. It is not going to make the game better if I draw a hat on this guy right now. Okay? Please, stop. And I'm going to place... By the way... Cute equals better. Cute equals better, brother. Cute equals better. What are you talking about there? What are you talking about? You cannot do that. I'm gonna keep it like that for now. The mage should be unlocked here, guys, because the mage is basically the one that uses fire and cold spells that deal magic damage which ignores armor. That is, no, guys, I should not give the ranger here. The ranger will come in round 12. The mage is something that is good against armor. Also. No, guys, let's... Event underscore. No. Event underscore. There we go. I'm going to remove the ranger from this. There's no point. Guess what I uploaded? All of them are in there. See, bro? You did it. Now link your SoundCloud. So people can click on it. Good job, Mr. Zenith. You finally did it. Huh? Bro, didn't you load? Huh? What are you doing? Alright, anyways. We're gonna unlock the mage. We're getting the mage first. Okay, so we have... Do we have the weapon already? Oh yeah, we do. Well, we have level 3. We can get a new skill. There you go. Okay, cool. So this looks good enough. Let's make actual progress in the game now. Let's push more rounds. And then I feel like tomorrow we can work on stats. Alright, now I want to try out the catch-up mechanic from yesterday. If it actually works. We are on round 7. Wow, I'm dropping so much money. Holy, look at the monies, guys. It's crazy. And how does he have a skill point already? He shouldn't. Why is he level 2? I need to restart. That's a bit odd. He should be level 1. Catch-up mechanic? Early 2024 would have not been stopped by skill issues. Getting a baby made you weak. Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? Bro, you have no idea. This guy tries to know. If anything, it's impressive that I still keep doing it, brother. Okay? So, you're wrong. It didn't make me weak at all. If anything, it made me more determined. You're totally wrong. It's crazy how wrong this guy is, without even knowing that he's wrong. We all know the issue is the door. The door is closed now. Thankfully. Yep. Shouldn't I get an item now? Nice. There it is. Oh man, I'm leaking. I'm not leaking. Not leaking any units. There we go. There it is. Item unlocked. Hell yeah. Very good. Okay, so now that we have the item. Boom. We also get a new skill point. Let's get cooldown here. Look how easy this becomes with one item already. When does the gameplay start? This is literally just option screens and waiting. What are you talking about? Towers are about upgrades. We are slowly working ourselves up towards tower upgrades. And now we get a new hero that we can unlock, that we can place. And he's level 2 for some reason. Why is he level 2? It upgrades all the heroes or something? That's odd. He shouldn't be level 2. Huh? Lots of unreleased songs that I never uploaded through Discord. Wanna check them out? Yeah, but not now. Not now. I'm actually making progress. I will check them out, I promise you, but not now. Let me make progress, okay, brother? Gonna check them out later. Let's see. All right. Let me think. Why is he level 2? That is when we update the level. Award XP to all heroes that got money spent on them. So how? It goes through all of the heroes. And if they have money spent on them. Ah, but we need to skip heroes that have not been unlocked. Yeah. Where is that? Level up effect. Award XP. Then this is the level up effect. Goes through the heroes. Wait, it goes through all of the heroes. You stupid? If hero dot hero type ID is the same as hero type ID. If it's unequal, then we skip. Only show the effect on heroes that are the same type as the hero that just leveled up. There we go, that's the first thing. And then the next thing here is, for the XP distribution, we need to go through heroes that have not been unlocked yet. So if... save state, do we have that here? Save state? We don't. So game state. Save state. Dot heroes. Unlocked heroes mask. Unlocked heroes mask? And bit from hero type ID. Then continue. If that's 0. So essentially, if the hero is not yet unlocked. Skip. Skip heroes that are not yet unlocked. And so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna comment this out, then put a breakpoint here for now. I'm actually gonna restart too, and then place start the round again. Bro, it's too focused on what's the problem with the game. Of course, because I want to sell my game, man. People don't take my words seriously. Ever. If I don't release a game. Check out my stuff, Copium Dealer. Okay, let's see. Not wrong. Now he liked my stuff, but what is this? Can someone explain? Can some of you guys explain him? That I'm working on my game right now, and that the stream is not his to take over, because it's really narcissistic to take over a stream and demand the streamer to do something right now. Can someone explain that to him in a way that he understands? Zenith said, Cakez, fuck you. I get it, yeah. I never mentioned to say that, do you? Dummy. Anyways, let's just move on, because I'm making progress. And I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay, bro? Don't destroy that. Don't you ever destroy that. Check songs now. Yeah. Go check his SoundCloud. You literally forced him to do it. Yeah, it was a good thing. Sometimes people need to be pushed, because now he can get feedback on his sounds. Alright, let's see. So the first hero type ID. Hero type ID. And then we're going to turn that into an actual hero. Come on. Hero type ID. And so the first one is the defender. Okay. Yeah, so it's leveling up the C3. It's leveling up the ranger. It's leveling up the healer. It's leveling up the mage. Yeah, it's leveling up all of them, which is bad. So that shouldn't happen. So we need to skip the heroes. That was the bug before. Cool, we fixed another bug in the game, guys. I wonder why the first one. I feel like I introduced the bug then. I missed progress. I'm on my third rewrite in a row. Oh my man, little Carlito. How long is your rework, bro? You gotta push through. I know what you mean, man. It sucks. I agree. Those are the worst times. I did nothing. What did I do? Yes, I can explain it. Cakez demands free labor from viewers and then throws it in the garbage. If he gets called out for this, he plays the victim. Fuck Red Cakez, fuck. Fuck Cakez, Red fuck. Check out Ghosty's SoundCloud, please. Zenith is wondering what he did to deserve this treatment. Zenith, I'm going to use the most basic words. When I tell you that I'm going to check it out later, then I'm going to check it out later. Okay. That's all. I don't get it. Explain it differently. So that's nothing against you. It has all to do with me wanting to do something differently right now. It's my stream. And I decide when I do something. Okay? You should find some music makers that isn't so needy. No, it's not about him making music for me. I think that he makes great music, and I think he should share that with people. It's not for me. He should do it for himself, bro. Like, I don't, like, he doesn't, like, I never once wanted him, I asked him if he wanted to, but he doesn't need to make music for my game, for me. Bro, he's making good music, and he should send that out to the public, because that will give him feedback, much better than I can give him. And the earlier you do that, maybe one day he becomes really big because of it, because he keeps making music, and that's a good thing, man. So, I'm just showing him a path and I'm pushing him a little bit, that's all. And he's obviously very young because he doesn't understand. Like he doesn't seem to understand that sometimes you just have to wait, you know? Just wait. And that it's not ill-spirited when you have to wait. I'm level 2, good. Cakes, maybe Zenith is the next Deadmau 5. Yeah, maybe, yeah. Who was in the channel here once, right? Was he? Instead of all of that, yep, and you could have checked it out and be back to your game. No, because I want to give it the time it deserves. The time and attention it deserves. And so I don't just want to check it out really quickly here, dirty, and then move on. I want to give it the time it deserves. So shut the fuck up. You don't know what you're talking about, Binukai. Okay? My dream became true. Wood and sword. Okay, good. Let's move on here. Ouch. Alright, so let's see. This guy literally did Deadmau 5 once before when Deadmau 5 raided him. Bro, like, listen, like, you expect me to know, like, all of these people, bro. I've been living in a fucking cave my entire life, man. I've played Gothic 1 the entire day, and 2, and 3. I don't know who these people are, because I never, like, listen, bro, I'm totally uneducated. I just play games, bro. I'm a stupid idiot. Okay? Huh? Oh, okay, cool. Does he? Sure. Okay. Okay, ich mach das hier so auf, dann kann ich hören. Mage. Unlock Hero. Oh, yes. This is when I want to check the catch-up mechanic. Does the catch-up mechanic actually work? Place this guy. We still need to balance the mage, by the way. I feel like he's too OP. He does 150 damage. And it's magic damage. That's too OP. Looking in my phone, just listening to your words. Really? This is what I've been dreaming while sleeping? Looking at my phone while just listening to your words. He didn't level up. Wait, it's still round 6, is it? It's still round 6, is it? Yes. So the catch-up mechanic didn't grab yet. Didn't activate yet. Yeah. Cakes, does this game have a pause button? Maybe press it and opens in a SoundCloud. I'm gonna ban you. Shut the fuck up. We're going to make progress now past the round. Round 10. Guys, I think there's gas in the house. I don't know where, but it's coming from... people dying from toxic fumes. What are you talking about, Neon Codes? You don't joke about these things. What are you doing? You can't joke about this. Brokex is such a butter boy. He's constantly buttering people up in hopes of labor of monetary gain. That's how he got a free streaming PC and free graphics card. Same reason he ignores old viewers. He's dick suck new viewers. He knows that he can't scam us for money, but the new viewers don't know yet. Shut the fuck up, bro. Get the fuck out of here, man. It's so toxic. It's not even true. Goodness. Alright, so the catch-up mechanic worked. And the reason why I implemented the catch-up mechanic is so that whenever we get the healer later, we're going to unlock the healer as we play through the game, then after one round, the healer will get a new ability, which is heal. You could choose not to get it, but it would be bad to do that. Why would you do that? Truth equal... It's not truth. And hello, who cares on YouTube? What's the plan for today, Cakes? To make good progress on the rounds. And we're currently progressing through the game and looking at unlocking items and abilities, which currently works very well so far. Very happy how it works out. We have unlocked our first item, we have unlocked our first skill, and we're currently battling towards the later rounds, seeing how far we can get from a starting point of nothing, essentially. Basically, this is what you guys would experience if you were to play the game right now from nothing. And I think so far it's going very well. Very happy about the result. We got a new skill level up here. Let us get... Oof, ability duration is good. What is this? Area of effect health? I guess we go for cooldown. Good luck today, Cakes. Look. Hey, my man, Edin. Thank you so much, bro. Do I get this guy here? Let's see. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Yes, 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 yes. So I have a nice idea. He leveled up because of the catch-up mechanic. Did he? I think he did. Okay, first, the mage. I need to balance him again. He shouldn't be able to pierce 2 units. He should be able to pierce 1. Number 1. Bro, it's true. You never say hi to me. But whenever someone random people are in chat asks, how do you hot reload? You give them a 15-minute tutorial in Paint, while hinting they should give you money, and when they do, the fuck? You get super parasocial about it and act like they just saved your life. Shut the fuck up, that's not even true! Get the fuck out of here, bro! What do? You have saved in the game state and it takes... what do you do that you have saved in the game state that it takes 32 megabytes of binary? We looked at that earlier. It is the amount of enemies in the game. And a lot of stuff is in the game state. Look. Struct game state. On the game state we have a bunch of floats. Not that much. We have a bunch of debug boxes and constructs. Then we have render quads. 1 render quad. 2,000 of those essentially. 1 render quad has that much data. Then we have a bunch of heroes, 512. We have a bunch of enemies, 1,000. We have a bunch of effects, laser effects, line indicators. All of this stuff is something that the game, in my opinion, the game needs to hold to correctly reconstruct the game's state at any given point in time. Projectiles, beams, active abilities, timed lights, emitters, damaging areas. All of this stuff amounts to 32 megabytes, which, to be honest, is not that much. 1 4K texture uncompressed is 67 megabytes. I can fit the entire game state into 2 4K textures. And if you're thinking about a 3D game, and my game state is heavy, by the way, it's really heavy. If you're thinking about a 3D game, that is... Well, let's do the math. I think it was... Let's not lie here. 1024, it's actually times 1024, huh? And then multiply that by 4. 1K textures take up 4 megabytes. So I can have 10 textures, or I can have 1 game state. So, you do the math. I think it's fine. It's quite a few floppy disks you're talking about. What about toasters? Okay, so this one is the rat. Can we kill it? Oh, I think the rat is too... Man, with my current setup, it is almost impossible. I mean, I have 400 money, and the rat is quite slow. I need to be able to beat this. It does 2 damage. I can't beat the rat. Huh? I can't beat it. Für wen? Ich guck danach. Cakez, I've been lurking for a while and I would love to hear more about your hot reload feature. Godot fan 77. See, this is why I don't make progress, guys. This is why I don't make progress. Like when I'm on stream. There's people like this that come into my chat that create... Ah, so he pre-created the account on December 11th. Godot fan 77. People like this come into my... Ah, I see. It's me, Ramus. Yeah, he got banned before. Hi, Cakez, I'm new here. I saw the Godot tag and had to drop in. Excited to learn more about my favorite game engine. Smiley face. Such a collector of alts. It's insane, man. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Okay, I'm gonna permanently ban you. Fine, you get a timeout. Right? Because it's actually quite funny. But still. 2 days. That's de facto Ramis. Of course it is, yes. Ah, shit. What do I do? I think the rat is too difficult to beat. It's too difficult to beat. We need to give it... Oh, it's game.h. With our current power level, it is impossible to beat this rat. Which means we need to take some HP away from it. It has 25 resistances. Maybe the armor resistance is a bit high. Ranger will be better for single units Cakez. I think I should have given them the Ranger first. I feel like the mage is more important, but let's test. Let's add the mage. Because he's gonna catch up anyways. We can give him ice. Let's see. I think I want to test it out like that. I just nerfed the red by a little bit. I don't want to nerf it too much. Guys, the game shouldn't be too easy. It shouldn't be too easy, man. Absolutely not. At least some accounts subscribe for extra points. Oh, Robo Green, my man. Is that your first time message? Good morning. What is that? An actual... Is that an actual account? You just made a new account? September? And then you followed a month later. Thank you very much, man. Welcome, sir. Good morning. That's awesome. Alright, guys. This is where we need to fix Ice Wave. I'll show you what the problem is. Use it? Or we have to skill it first. Wait, it does... Does it convert it? Already? Ice Wave. Oh, it converts it to 100% cold damage already. Cool. Nice. Awesome. Randy made tons of progress and Ramis was trolling it there too. Let's see. Randy made tons of progress and Ramis was trolling there too. You mean Ramis or collector of stuff? Randy made tons of progress and Ramis was making it too. Yeah, it's easier to make a new game from the start, okay? We are in the middle of development of something that I have no fucking clue how to finish, okay? Shut the fuck up and don't compare me to others, okay? I'm comparing myself to myself, bitch. Actually, I'm banning you for this. What's the difference? That you're banned now. Fuck you. Good. Let's see. Let's move on here. Excuses? Not excuses. Absolutely not. No. We're getting the banner. Alright. This guy... Ah, shit. I should have gotten this guy the banner. Let's test this. What is the cooldown on this? 12 seconds. That's a bit much. I feel like we need to make it less cooldown. Ice Wave has too much cooldown. Huh? Yeah. 10. Nerf that buff that a bit. Feels bad otherwise. Now you're cursing out your viewers, taking notes. Cursing out. You want the data using at the same time or the same cache page? Now you don't think about array size or for optimization, you think about page cache size. It's just occurred to me that trolling is a proper hobby for some. Yeah. Do you have a tutorial about hot reloading? Can you give a brief introduction on how it works? Pi, do you actually mean that? Because I do, yes. It's right here. I don't know if you actually mean it. Like, it's difficult to say for those. You didn't notice the pin. Check SoundCloud time? No, it's not. SoundCloud will be checked out later. Alright, let's see. So, round 7. Round 8. So this is the interesting round. Let's test. Okay, so far it's reasonably easy. They're still leaking, which is awesome. I like that a lot. Because then it means it's not too difficult and not too easy. It just leaked 2. When is the golden red guy? It's here. Okay, let's see. I slowed it down. I think that's great. It slowed a little too much. Ooh, it's close. Okay. Cakes, your hairline is fucked compared to the old video. Yeah, I mean, that's just how it goes, you know. It is how it is. Man. I don't think I can beat this guy. Okay. Maybe go for this. And then get some AoE. Ah, almost. He doesn't reach those two, does he? I'm not able to beat this. Oh wow, I am. He got burnt. Okay. So now we're able to beat him. Good stuff. Cool. Next item. What do we get? A rusty sword. Okay. Nice. This is what I want, guys. Uh-oh. I don't want to lose, but... Yikes. Okay, we do lose some. But it's fine. His hell, I made more progress than him. I don't think so. I think I made incredible progress, bro. Alright, so now we're just gonna move on. See how far we can get. The mage is slowly leveling up. Cakes, I have an idea. Add a dummy item to the loot chest called Zenith Soundcloud. And if the RNG lands on it, then you have to check it out. Rust can get us tinnitus if we stepped on rusty nails. Yeah, bro. Damn. Look at them rats spawning. Oh god. I'm losing. Am I actually losing, bro? Come on. Oh, god damn it. Close. Oh, close. You kinda suck? No, I don't. The game is just made really difficult. I think it's fine. I like it. I don't want you guys to just breeze through this. I want you guys to experiment with different builds. Imagine being a chest, opening a chest and finding a rusty sword. Cakes. Yeah, like a rusty sword is better than no sword. Do you think? Don't you think that? When you start Gothic 1, the first thing you find is an old pickaxe. A rusty pickaxe. Okay? And the next thing you find is a rusty sword. And then the next thing you find after that is an old sword. You think you want to be rewarded with like a Gladius? Excalibur at level 1? You're gonna get ass beaten here, okay? That's how it goes. You're gonna get ass beaten before you become these unkillable gods that can destroy the entire map with one ability, okay? But you're gonna start at the bottom. At the bottom, the lowest end of the line, okay? That's what this game is about. It's about destroying you. Okay. Just wait, guys. He will be the Warbanner buff dude. He will be the incredible buff guy. Zenith is getting toxic. 8 fucking hours, 11 fucking hours on Ace. Do this activity goes in for 11 hours. No, it's just open still, bro. Uh-oh, we're leaking. That's fine. We are leaking right now. That is strategic leak. Because now we have the Warbanner. And he's already ready to use it. Boom. Now they all deal more damage. Oh, wow. I want to see the Ice Wave. Oh, he doesn't have Ice Wave yet, does he? We need to invest money first. Of course. I forgot. Can we do it? Ooh, strategic leaks. Round 4, money? Item? I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. God damn it. Cakes, thank you so much. Really? Yeah, of course, bro. Sure. We have a problem, guys. Unfortunately. I have spawned a rat in round 5. Or round 4. That drops an item. But now the player can go and play till round 4. Always get this enemy. And get an item. That's not good. That's not what we want. Because now you can abuse round 4 to farm yourself items. It should only happen once. Should only happen once. Now I can fix it in a spawn system, but it's like a disconnected system. In Dark Souls, the drops kind of make sense though. You don't kill a rat and get a two-hander. TD is 2 days old, but the codebase sucks already. Time to refactor. And I never refactor Sage. Why does it suck, bro? You can do it, Super Cool, man. Believe in yourself, bro. I feel like you're starting so many projects lately. Bro, listen, man. Just maybe, I know, it's your life, right? Your decisions. Maybe just make a game in 1 month. And just release it. Maybe under a different name. If you don't want to use your real Super Cool account name. Maybe under a different name. So that, listen, maybe you need, I don't know. Like it's basically, maybe you need an alt account like in League of Legends. There's enough trash on stream. I think you can make a good game in 11 days, in 1 month. I don't think it will be trash either way. But I feel like you need a W, bro. A 1-year game is good. Yeah, maybe, but it's to me, from the outside, it seems like you're just not being able to stick to it. You want to give up, it's a classic. Cakes, you're just talking about what you want to do right now? No, that's not me, you stupid idiot. Anyways, what do we do with this? I need to spawn a rat. Maybe I need to code it. Maybe it needs to be an event. We're gonna code this in. Hard code this in. Cause the enemy rat drop item. I'm gonna remove it from the game. No, I need to keep it. That sucks. That sucks. It actually sucks. God damn it. Big gameplay, massive new rounds. Yeah, we do. We do, actually. Why don't make it a probability drop? Because we are basically teaching the player the game right now. And that needs to be deterministic. It's a tutorial that should not feel like a tutorial. I'm making a tutorial that doesn't feel like a tutorial. Do you understand? And so the player will most likely not notice. But he will be introduced to the game without noticing that he's basically playing a tutorial at the moment. There was once a person who tried to send him a malware and even got banned for 5 minutes. Ghosty hasn't been back since then though. Oh. Cakes, you could consider, you got 5 rounds around now where you only kill the same unit. That wouldn't... in what world is that funny? So what you're saying is that Bloons is unfunny. Okay, good stuff. Enemy red drop item. So my problem right now is that I have the same looking enemy, which is this. And sometimes this one drops an item, sometimes he doesn't. He doesn't. That teaches the player confusing game mechanics, in my opinion. That's confusing. How many of you guys think that this is confusing? Tell me. Do you think this is confusing? Whoops, wrong click. Instant refund. Imagine buying a 15-euro game and the first map is a 1/1 copy of balloons. I agree with Collector, your game is an instant refund. Okay. So I need to make a think what is confusing? Well, if this red sometimes drops an item and sometimes it doesn't. I made a golden red for that. But that red is too powerful. Let me test something. Maybe I just make the reds less powerful. Make a silver red? I thought about that too, Gandalf. I'm gonna look at the timer up here. Let's test. Okay, I'm playing until I get my first enemy that drops me a chest. When is the first enemy spawning? I wonder. Is it 1 minute in or something? Garlic is easy mode, thank God. Okay, now we can't lose. Gold red equals more guaranteed loot, normal red equals normal loot. I think that's reasonable, yes. Okay, so 1 minute in, this guy spawns. It's this guy right here. Interesting. 1 minute in. Okay. I get it now. It's fine. So 1 minute in. Hey, Avatar of Azula, good morning. How's it going, man? Music is classy. Necrodancer classy. I think for more diversity, you should add a gray red. We already have a gray red. Let me see. Maybe I'm just going to spawn a red that is silver and kind of glows. Maybe you guys are right. Maybe I should have done a silver red. And then that red can spawn a lot more often. And then the golden red just has a higher chance. The silver red... yeah, maybe that. Let's try. What would be a cool silver... oh, well, it definitely needs to be white here. For glow? What about that? Is that nice silver? Huh? No. That's not silver. That's too similar. Silver? Yeah, I'm trying to get it to silver. What is a nice silver thing though? Let's see. Maybe it should be completely gray? Bronze. Rhapsody. Gay, not grey. I'm not gonna make it gay. What are you guys talking about?
It's good to see you. Pull up a chair by the hearth.
I don't know about this, to be honest. Could give it maybe a better outline. Hello. It's fucking tossed. What about this? Or we do Shift O and then add an outline like that. There we go, and then get rid of this 2 here. Then this would need to be... This is just outlining the effects. They shouldn't be outlined. It's just some effect here. Maybe we could do this. What do you guys think? Is that an interesting idea? Yeah, what is that? We don't think. Well, we could do this, and then this would be the first rat that spawns us an item. In round 6, he is reasonably slow, reasonably tanky. If it glows, fine, but why blue? Vampire Survivors hint. Vampire Survivors has 1 minute before they introduce a new enemy. Yeah, me too. What are you talking about? Enemy rat drop item. Let's keep that and then go over here and add this to the assets. Enemy rat. Let's see. Sprite enemy rat attack dev.
Gotcha, bitch.
Then search. Blop, 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 blop. Over here. Okay, I mean, I'll just copy this. Oh, man. No, no, no. Thank you very much for following, brother. Ned Bolter, good morning. Hey. How's it going, man? Wait, that's the wrong one. Wait, what did I do? Wait, now I'm confused. I think I did a mistake here. Sorry. Enemy red. I wanted to copy this, call this red silver. We go, then go to red dev. Put the silver thing here, copy that, paste this. Delete a word, paste the word. And then change the Atlas offset. Here. What do we have? For the idle animation, that is 1392. Idle is 1392. The run animation should also be 1392. Then the attack is one below that. That is 1408. 1408. And then we are back at 1392. Pixel art phobia. There we go. Now we call this enemy red silver. And then we call that red silver. I don't know about this, to be honest, but fine. I don't like introducing a silver item and then a gold. A silver red and then a gold red. I don't like it. No, I don't like it. It needs to be in a different way. I'll try. I think the probability drop is also be fine, as the player will learn about it eventually when the shiny pulled red is spawned and they kill it. Yeah, but I need to give the player an item in round 5. My quest right now is to give the player an item in round 5 and make it believable and reasonable. Seeing that much editing without a test suite gives me existential dread. Really, it does? I think you get used to it. I'm good, thanks. Yeah, that's awesome. And Shibit, thank you very much for following earlier. And Lucras as well. Good morning, you guys. Welcome. Nah, I don't know, guys. I'm not sold yet.
Newton Morgan Gigabitch.
Hey, Mr. Amida. Good morning. Silver. I don't know about it. If I introduce an enemy that always drops a chest, then the players are just gonna farm that chest to drop items. I don't want that. Because I don't want the player to keep playing to round 4, drop an item, keep playing to round 4, drop an item, unlock all of the tier 1 items by just replaying the first few missions. That's terrible game design, and I need to find a way so that the player can't do that. Don't you guys agree with this? No one's gonna do that? Everyone's gonna do that, of course. That's terrible game design. People literally spend hours opening chests in Diablo 3 because that was the best way to gain loot. Have you not seen the streams in the past of Quinn69, of Dotbot running it down, opening chests the entire stream? Chest opening streams for everybody, ladies and gentlemen, because Blizzard was so good that they managed to make the chests more overpowered than killing bosses in an ARPG. Nice. Your game is not Diablo? Bro, my point is that people... I'm not gonna explain this. Listen, you can believe what you want, bro, but you're wrong. Given the opportunity, the player will optimize the fun out of the experience. Exactly, Kurdo. Thank you. I should... Ich sollte das einrahmen. I don't like the silver rat. I don't like introducing so many enemies in the beginning of the game. I think it sucks. Cakez, Collector once told me that you pay him to be toxic. Why don't I get paid? I don't pay him to be toxic. Chest opening is fun, but bro, your game is not that good. You will be lucky if you get 5 minutes on average. You're wrong. I will definitely get more than 5 minutes. If I get to around 30, I will get at minimum 30 minutes to an hour playtime. You're wrong on that, but it needs to make sense. Yeah, they play Dark Souls and Havels and Face Tank everything, for example. Yeah, they do. It's suboptimal, you're right, yes. Just have 2 gold rats. 2 gold rats would mean 1 gold rat will be stronger than the other gold rat. And I think that's bad, because the player expects it to be of a certain strength when it comes. And if I spawn the rat so early, the player can't beat it, because it's too powerful. Listen, look, I'll show you. Let's see here. So if I want to make the player get an item at round 4, was it? 4? If we spawn a silver rat, let's say we spawn a golden rat. It's too powerful. Cakez, normal gold rat and a zombie gold rat. Normal gold rat and a zombie gold rat. Even then, this is also bad game design, because now the player thinks that the golden rat will always drop them an item, and now they will keep playing till round 4 to get to the golden rat. Which, no, they shouldn't. So I need to program in something anyways to give the golden rat a 100% drop chance on first encounter, and then a 10% drop chance on first encounter. But even if it's a 10% drop chance, the player will still try to get it. The player will still replay the first couple of rounds to get to that rat. And so that's where my design is flawed. Cakez, yes. Bro, I'm not saying this to be toxic, just your to curb your experience. I don't want you to release and get horribly sad because no one likes the game. No, I'm not dumb. I'm not dumb. I can, at this point, I can gauge interest. I can gauge how far the player will play. I'm not stupid. That's the reason why we spend so much time on the screen, guys. Every stream I do, we spend here. Every day, we spend here. We tweak so many tiny things. Just wait, I can gauge that. I won't do that. I will kill the golden rat, Alt 4, uninstall, and leave a negative review. So there needs to be a proper way to progress your items without the player replaying missions. Replaying the first couple of rounds. Cakez, add 500 items and always introduce new items. It's how you introduce max fun by optimizing content. The Binding of Isaac does this. League does this. Then increase the item rate by levels played. Amen. The problem is that in Binding of Isaac, when you die, you need to unlock the items again. In my game, once you unlock an item, it is permanently unlocked in the game. You save it. So if I have 500 items, a dedicated player will play till round 4 500 times and get all of the items. Now he won't get item tier 2. Okay, so he will only get tier 1 items, the very basic items, but he will get all of the tier 1 items. So he's taking a shortcut because I'm too stupid to make my game properly. So no, don't respawn the golden rat once it is given. Yeah, but when do I spawn it? Randomly? Now the player will spawn. Now the player, what the player will do, if they're optimizing it, they will play till the golden rat spawns, if it's random, and then they will kill that rat, get an item, maybe not get an item, and move on. So what I think we should do is this. I think I should spawn a golden rat or a silver rat or some sort of rat. AQ cleaning house, yeah. It's round 4. That always drops an item. And then I will spawn golden and silver rats with a probability. So they sometimes spawn or sometimes they don't. And then these rats have a chance to drop an item. They are not guaranteed to drop an item. But the first rat that spawns is 100%. Cakez may be a balloon. It has to fin. It sounds incredibly boring to watch. You want diminishing returns for mechanics that will be farmed. Exactly. Then your game is not deterministic unless there's a replacement rat with the same stats. Kinda toxic, Nahan. No one cares by TCAP. No one cares? Who said that? No one cares. Ah, okay. Thank you very much. I'm gonna ban you. Where are you? You're so lucky that you typed that so much earlier. Where is this? I'm betting you. No one cares. I can't find it. You're so lucky that I can't find where that message is. Lucky. Okay. It was a mistake. Ah, okay. It was a mistake, sure. You think you can lie to me? I'm not stupid. Bro, this doesn't matter at all. Just deal with it once you notice players abusing it in your demo. You don't optimize for the 2 players of 7 players who actually buy the game. Okay, I don't have time to engage with this. You're wrong. See you in 5 minutes. Why is there a dot before everything? That's C syntax to index into members of a structure. Make it easier for you to read. You know exactly what this does, don't you?
Looking good. Easily a mixed review / mostly positive.
Hello, Galaxy Media. Thank you. Good morning. He's right, though. I am right. I know. Let them farm it. It's fine for the demo. Don't overthink it. Listen, I do not like keeping problems for the future. That to me sounds lazy. We're talking about it right now. I think we can fix it. I think I'm just gonna hard spawn a rat. Demos have problems for the future. I know that, but I know of this problem right now, so why should I just ignore it? So that people can tell me the obvious? I know that problem. I don't want to be told the obvious. You just skipped an item head drawing on the show screen. That's different, bro. That's not gameplay. That's a visual effect. That's different. Let's see here. So, golden red here is bad. Silver red here is bad. I need to have... I need to give rounds a random additional spawn that has a chance of spawning. So round 4 should have a random additional spawn that is 100% on the first time. So if we are in round 4 and we have that random additional spawn, we're gonna spawn that. Maybe that's the best way to do it. We're gonna do one spawn badge that is a random additional spawn. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I have an idea, guys. So we're gonna do this. We have one spawn badge, which is a random additional spawn. That one. And then we need a probability for that. Out of 100%. Int random spawn chance. Int random spawn max. We're going to extend this by that for now. And then on round 4, we're introducing it. So over here, that would be 1 in 100. If someone wants to farm that, 1 in 100, more power to you, brother. You deserve it. You show dedication like no one else. You will be rewarded. And then that is just a random spawn, which spawns us a silver red. Or a golden red that's cheap. I like the idea that the golden red is kind of difficult to get to. But maybe it should be a golden red. But it's a new enemy. It is a new enemy. That's also a problem. Round 4 is introducing a new enemy right now. That's bad. You see this here? I have already... that would be too much of a new enemy, guys. Demos get feedback over gameplay, not unintended methods. Cakez, you know that Dark Souls is not balanced at all. Half the weapons are trash, and you said that it's the best game you ever played. No one cares about this balanced shit, but all you spend time on, that's where your game is gonna fail hard. People are gonna hate it. You're wrong. It does nothing, you know what you're saying does nothing. I know what to do. 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 Get rid of this. Don't need that. Round 4? Was it round 4 or 5? No, I forgot. Was it in round 4 before, guys? Or in round 5? I think it was in 4.
This bloody mess just shows why you'd flop in any real job, you daft idiot. You've got the foresight of a blind bat.
Okay. Silver red. Did I copy that? Save and copy that. Introducing the silver red here. Then we're going to stagger, let's see, red fast, ill red. Yeah, so we're gonna get the silver red here, which we need to kill to get an item. Am I muted? Bro, Mr. Media, you can't do that to me, bro. Okay, you're paid to win. I can't ban you, but bro. I wish you were muted. Here, there you go. No, I'm muted for you, bro. You can go somewhere else. That's fine. There's so many other streamers here, you know? It's a wide variety of streamers out there. Go, bitch. Fuck you. Okay. I don't like it too much, guys. Man, I don't like it too much. But, fine. Maybe games are not perfect. Silver red here. Let's go to the silver. Good morning, Jake. Hey, Toasty Stump. Thanks for answering my question about the TAA stuff. I thought you actually knew. Very interesting. Have you seen the video that I was talking about, though? About the TAA in Unreal Engine and how it creates blurry results in 3D engines? And the most AAA games work on it. Okay, wait, base stats, red enemy fast. Need to get resistances. Man, I really like the golden red. It was a difficult enemy. Man, I liked it.
Am I so out of touch?
But then I can't get an item.
No. Mr. Elmido is gifting 1 sub to the community.
Can't get an item then. You know what, guys? No, it's fine. It's fine. Let's just not worry about it too much. It's okay. Bro, let it go. Listen, man, it's really important to me. That's all. It's really important to me. It's a mini boss component. Has 600, or let's say 700 health. Has resistances, is kind of slow. And then we have loot table. Then the silver red by default is 1 out of 100. The golden red is 2 out of 100. So twice as many items can be found for those golden reds. And then now that we have this, we're spawning a silver red on round 4. Now,
I agree with you, Cakez.
Item drops, loot table, random int. This is where
consequences that I did not foresee.
I agree with you, Case. Should not have used my actions had consequences that I did not foresee. Thank you so much for keeping yourself pay to win by spending 50 bits on the pay to win channel. Thank you so much, yeah. I appreciate that a lot, Mr. Amida. You will always be ban protected. True. Okay, will there be a big react in Wukong after? I have a cool idea for a react. We will watch that later. But right now I want to focus on this particular problem. And I think we're making good progress. Let me see here. Bro, you can think anything more boring than having farm in a TD game. And Bloons, you can... It's not about farming, bro. It's not about farming. I will make you farm without you realizing that you're farming. That's why I design so much on this. If I give them a 100% drop chance... Like, listen. Okay, just wait. Just wait. So, let's see. We need an if check here. If scripting event has scripting event. Scripting event first time playing. If we have a scripting event... Oh, that's it. There it is. Unlock items. There it is. If we have the scripting event unlock items and we kill our first Scripting event unlock items. I should probably do scripting event. No, we need to complete that scripting event, yeah. And we should call this scripting event drop first item. If we want to drop our first item and the enemy and round index level state, is that here? Game state? Level state? Where are we here actually? Mark as dead. Oh, so this is in handle damage infliction, okay. Game state level state dot round index is greater than equal to 4. Round index, we start on 0, so then that would be 3, I think. And the target enemy type ID is red, silver, red, silver. Then I want to set the loot table. We get the loot table, the random int. Random int is item drop chance. Item drop chance.
No. I'm not falling down again, guys.
There you go. Alright, so now it should always drop us an item on that. God, the sound is so bad on that clip, holy. I think the game officially has more red variations than Tangy variations at this point. Yeah, just wait, I know what you mean. Still, we are still designing it. Boom, 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 boom. It's a compromise, of course, but it's everything is rendering. I just tried Vulkan for like 2 hours this morning. Oh, you were talking about the anti-aliasing stuff. That's interesting. What are you guys talking about? Conrad, to be honest, the only game I've played with TAA is Doom Eternal, and I didn't notice it that much. The other than that is jittery. Let's see. What did Code and Agree say? Temporal crappy rendering techniques. I've heard some noise about it, but I haven't dived too much into it. It's noisy, yeah. On paper, but the result. I think it's actually cool. On paper, but the results. Yeah, the results are bad. Black Myth Wukong is especially bad for this, unfortunately, because it's a really good game. Let's see here, where's more? To be honest, the only game I've played with TAA is Doom Eternal. You should try to play Black Myth Wukong, then you will see it in motion. It's really annoying. You have to look for it to notice it. I think you notice it quite fast, even if you disable motion blur. And so what is your opinion? It's a compromise, but it's everything in rendering. So, Code and Agree, what is your opinion on Black Myth Wukong and visual clarity? What do you think about it? When moving, of course. You're wrong anti-aliasing, Cakez. That's interesting. Feedback, you're wrong anti-aliasing. 99% didn't notice it though? No, people don't notice it, of course. Because they don't understand how it works, of course. I didn't notice it either. I just noticed that there's actually my very first episode of Black Myth Wukong on YouTube. I stand still, I'm like, why can I not see? I need to stand still. And I thought it was because the game was lagging. Which might be true too. But it's also because of the blurriness. Alright guys, so round 4. There it is. Where's the enemy? There he is. Let's see if we can beat him. Well, we can. Think. Oh, maybe we can't. That's bad. I'm introducing an enemy I can't beat. That's bad. Okay. Silver red 2 OP, guys. Maybe give it 15. And then maybe give it 600 HP. But even then, like, this should be an easy enemy, not a bit difficult one. Nah. He's still strong. Holy. 15 damage. Really? Let's test this again. Well, visually wise, the first thing that strikes me was with volumetric stuff. The fog at the start just looks horrible with a bunch of noise and artifacts. Not the best game visually speaking, but it does the job in that regard. I'm here for cake stories about Jason Stratham using J for London Dare to make a celestial crown that gets published by Kadokawa. Hey, why is this invisible now? Why did this become invisible? Huh? Did I do something wrong? Why is the coin invisible now? My coin is invisible, guys. Guys, can you stop? You're being weird. What am I looking at? Okay. New dude. That's round 4. Cake, stop joking. Okay. How difficult is the rat to beat? He's already half HP. He takes 22 damage. I think it's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna give for the silver rat. It didn't drop an item. I just programmed it in to drop a fucking item. Okay. You wanna play like that, bitch? You wanna play like that? What's that silver rat doing? Dropping items with a higher chance. And it will be a later enemy. That is very powerful. Why did it look like the camera movement? Moment I joined. Why did you look in the camera? I just wanted to say hello. I could smell you joining and I was like, hello there. Bro, you're literally pissing me off. Okay, let's see here. If it doesn't have the scripting event, I'm in it. Oh my god. If you don't have the scripting event, of course. Alright. Holy moly, we got a huge raid. Alexa Hero, thank you so much for raiding us with 184 viewers. Welcome, you guys. Good morning. How's it going? Are you new to the category? I've never seen you here. Welcome, everyone. Good morning. Hello. There we go. Random int. Perfect. Drop chance. Wait, is that a drop chance? 1? Heh. 1 out of... Ah, yeah. True. Welcome, you guys. Thank you so much for the raid. I've been in this category for more than a year. Really? Am I stupid? What are you making usually then? Are you using an engine to make games? New viewers escape before Cakez extorts you for free labor.
Am I so out of touch?
Okay, bro. Thank you, Mr. Almeida.
Mr. Elmido is gifting 1 sub to the community.
Do something to entertain your new viewers? Yeah, sure. Yeah, see you in 5 minutes. Bitch. Alright, so this time it works. Cool. We just unlocked our first item. Wooden sword. Works very well. Yeah, so for those of you who are wondering, Unity mods. Unity mods? For Unity games like Valheim or something? Is that what you usually do? Or is it you make mods for Unity games? And then you play those games? That would be interesting. For those of you who don't know what I do, I'm making a tower defense game in C++. And we are currently working on... I've been making this game for almost 4 years at this point. I started 3 years and a couple of months ago and learning C++ at the same time. I've had no idea what I was doing in the beginning, and we are currently looking towards getting towards the finish line of hopefully shipping this game out to the public via a demo version. The first version of the game that I published, which is 2 years old at this point, is sitting on Steam and rotting And I took the entire feedback that I got from the game to come up with a new and interesting idea that is hopefully a better iteration of the previous version. And yes, we're currently working on that. Balancing a tower defense game. For those of you who know what a tower defense game is, you basically sit still, you place heroes in strategic positions, and you make sure that you don't lose your life as the enemies try to approach the exit, which is at the bottom right here, right next to me. And yes, I'm heavily... Why is this invisible, by the way? Where is the coin? Why did you put the coin away? Did I undo something? Didn't we make a really cool looking coin yesterday? Was it this one here? Where was my coin? Didn't we like put a really cool coin here? Why am I tripping balls? I think we did, right? Cakes, all the raiders left. Your 2D game is still... You sit in your 2D game. You sit still. Yeah, I know. Let's see. What did he say? Unity mods. Okay, that's all he said. I'm the one. I'm in the one I fight. Wait. In the one I play, I fight with the defenders. Where's my coin? Where is my coin? Didn't we make a coin yesterday? Do I need to bring up my VOD from yesterday? I think we made a coin here. Right? Wait a minute. Drop gold. Yeah, then money bags. Update and draw money bags. We are using a coin small and a coin small is on 912 and 128. So 128 is... See, I told you. I think it was here. Yeah, where's my coin? Huh? What did you do to my coin? Bro. Huh? What happened? Maybe undo? Did I draw something here? Guys, did we just draw something? Did we? My coin's gone. Someone robbed you? Yeah, they robbed me of my coin. You can't do that. That coin was awesome. That coin was awesome. Where's my coin, bro? What did we do? Undid deselect. Guys, do you see a difference? Undid pencil tool. Oh, I did the red. Oh no. Wait, I have an idea. Let's do Control Y. Control Y. There we go. And then Control Z. Control C. And then undo. It's fine. Where's my coin? We need to do undo until we get the coin back. There's my coin! I told you! See, there was a coin! Bitch, you can't do that! Just deleting my coin. Bro. Okay, so we still have our silver red then. Ugly coin? No, bro. Hilda, long time no see, man. When man says it's fine, it is never fine. No, you're wrong. By the way, guys, Chili Player and Switch Cut and Variety Gamer. Variety Gamer. Thank you guys for following. Welcome, everyone. Okay, now it should work. By the way, did we drop the item? We did, right? Yes. Cool. Now we have our wooden sword. And the next time we get to this, let's restart. We have now dropped our first item. Drop the first item. Let's play... You know, let's try to be a cheeky gamer and be like, oh man, so I get an item and this early? Let's replay the game and try to abuse the game mechanic by dropping me all of the items at level 1. They're gonna be disappointed. They will be hugely disappointed. I believe I was talking about the importance of tests earlier. You cannot test, brother. You cannot test being stupid in A-Sprite. Okay? That is not something you can test, okay? I somehow had this coin selected, pressed delete or something. Maybe I fat fingered Control X or something. Instead of Control C, I pressed Control X. For some reason. You cannot be... It's not possible to debug a sprite like that. But I agree with you that tests are important. We will do tests in the future, of course. But for that, I first need to have a game. I need to have an idea of what I want. Steam reviews mostly negative because not enough golden rats. No. So like these normal rats, they can drop items too. 1 out of 1,000. There he is. There he is. Oh wow, he dies so fast with upgrades. I only need 2 units. Wow. Damn, wow. Upgrades are so powerful. He literally spawned behind the tree. So I don't even know if there's a chest yet. But I don't think there is. No, there's not. Okay. See, he didn't drop an item. 1 out of 100. Awesome. I'm happy. This is good. Now, think about it. Yeah, we move on. Now, the cool thing is, guys, I can sprinkle these blue... Oh, actually, wait. We need to do one more thing. Before we move on, we need to balance the rat. I put it at 700 HP. Let's balance this against the items. To make the rat feel really... To make upgrades on the rat feel really good. If it dropped, would it be behind the tree? If it dropped, the chest would be so large that the tree won't be able to cover it. But yes, it would be behind the tree. Because of draw order. Crawler dark, skeleton armored. Let's do here. Copy that. Can we put one in between, or is that probably not enough space? Let's do red fast, and then we copy all of this stuff down here. For those of you who are wondering what this is a game balance sheet using Excel for my tower defense game. And what I'm doing here is I have all of these different enemy types, and I calculate how long it would take to kill these enemies depending on the upgrades that I have against the very first unit in my game. So very specific balancing, but it allows me to create a baseline of difficulty against one unit. And what we are looking at right now is the red silver. Are you literally lagging? Bro, you can't lag. And I remember that this guy had 700 health and he had 15 armor. So now we can see that we need 28 hits. Holy, that's so many hits, man. Bro. 28 hits without upgrades to kill him. And then 17, actually 18 hits. 10 hits less with the first upgrade, which gives us 55 physical damage. So we take 10 hits less. That's crazy. What if we actually optimize this to be 720? That's 29 hits to 18 hits. So that's 11 hits less. But I think that's too OP. I think I want to go for 28 to 17. So if you want to optimize to 28, 17, 720, let's try 690. 69, no, 69, it's not good. 680? There it is. 28 hits to 17. That's what I'm looking for. These huge differences when you have upgrades. That's when it feels really good to have a first upgrade. Just having the sword on the defender as the first upgrade feels good. That gives the player dopamine, aka they keep playing the game, which is awesome. That's what we want to do. Okay, cool. Now that we have this, we can move on, I guess. We can finish round 5. And unlock ourselves the mage. Does the call grab the values from the Excel sheet, Cakes? No, I put the values in the Excel sheet, balance them there, and then I hard code them into my executable here. Let's see, red, gold. For example, the golden red is designed here, and the silver red is designed a little bit above here, I think. Yeah. The silver red is here. What did I do, by the way, for the silver red? The values were 680. 680. Like that. Turns out the reds are not the NPCs, they were the players all along. Yeah, you guys got the dopamine in games. Games make me say this is the worst game ever, then play for 2,000 hours. You do get dopamine, you just don't notice it. Of course, yes. You get dopamine in games a lot. You just don't notice it, but it's there. So for example, in Dark Souls, when you beat your first boss, you get a dopamine rush. You're like, yes! Because the first boss in Dark Souls 1, you encounter the boss when you can't do anything about him. So you have to run away from him. Spoiler, by the way. You should not listen to me if you have never played Dark Souls. But you have to run away, then you get back to him, you smash him, and you get a huge dopamine rush from that. Because not only have you learned the boss, you had to evade the boss before, you're now strong enough, because of your first weapon, to... The literal first weapon upgrade in Dark Souls is a huge dopamine rush. You start out with a sword that deals 0 damage. And then you get your first sword, and you all of a sudden, you're two-shotting or even one-shotting enemies? That is a huge dopamine boost. It doesn't... Like, it's one of the biggest ones you can get. Everyone remembers that. Cakes, boss, I think you got the wrong order here. Usually you warn about spoilers before spoiling things. Yeah, I know, I'm sorry. And Reiji, thank you very much for following me. Imagine the dopamine rush Zenith would have felt if you checked out his SoundCloud. Shut the fuck up, I'm working on my game right now. I'm gonna do it later, okay? I always mock in my unit tests and never in the integration. I always mock in my unit tests and never in the integration. But why? I mean, you can... Shouldn't you playtest your game? I prefer games like ZZZ, Star Rail, etc. Nice assets. I know what you mean, you know. I know what you mean. Yeah, it's sex sales, of course. Yes, sir. Okay, so we are now getting to the undead rats. Let's get some money here. Works well. Nice. However, I admit I'm mocking everything is probably not really doable. So my idea about testing is that I think you should do it once you have a system locked in and you know that this is the system that you want. What does it help you if you have a testing system, if you have a testing environment for a system that you don't even know you're gonna use? I feel like you're wasting your time there. Alright, it's time for a mage. Let's put this bad boy right here. Then we can put another guy here to banner them. Give them more power. And then the mage, how's he level 2? How did the mage get level... guys, I'm gonna debug this off screen. I don't know why he got level 2. He should not be level 2. Oh, I know why he's level 2. I know why he's level 2. I need to figure out if he's actually placed. I can fix it. Award to all XP to all heroes that got money spent on them. So if there is a total money spent on a hero, total money spent for every hero, skip heroes that we have not yet unlocked, or skip heroes that have not spawned yet. And how do we know that a hero has not spawned yet? Well, their money distribution is 0. If distribution is less than or equal to 0, then we continue. Oops. So if we have never spawned a hero, we have never invested gold into spawning it, unless he's free, of course. But I'm gonna make it so that the mage can never be placed for free. And also, yeah, we're gonna do it like that. Oh, the golden rat died. But it didn't drop us a chest. Okay. Maybe I should make the golden rat have a higher drop chance. What, guys, what do you think? Golden rat? Should it be... How much percent? 5% out of 100? 5% of the time they drop an item? What should the percentage be? 10% is, I think, too high. If I do 10%, then people are gonna farm it. What do you think is a good trade-off from percentage drop chance to someone trying to reach round 9 in the game and continuously farm round 9? A golden red drop chance should be 100%. It's a freaking golden red. No, a golden red will behave in different ways. I will add that in now. A golden red will either have a drop chance to drop a chest, which is higher than all of the other units, or it will always drop gold. So I agree with you that a golden red, it's golden, it should have something awesome. It will drop gold for sure. How many do you get per game? I don't know yet. I know that the first one comes on round 9. We are building up to it right now. You cannot balance for extremely new people and extremely tryhards ever. Cakes. No, I cannot 100%, but I can add some roadblocks for the tryhards to not make it too easy. Okay? Cakes, know your audience. My audience is tryhard TD players and casual players. So both needs to make sense. So the golden loot bag that you get from a golden rat will always be there, because that's awesome for new players. Can't balance yet, till you all know the structure of the game. No, yeah, okay, I guess I'll do 5%. Let's just do 5%. Ain't no way. Hello, Mr. I'm Meo Meo. Long time no see, bro. How's it going? I don't think it's possible. I think it is. Like, I'm not saying that it's perfectly possible, but in some shape or form, yes. Just make the gold red spawn on chance. The higher the round, the higher the chance and quantity. Cakes. I like your idea, my man. Like the round that I'm killing the rats in gives me a higher chance of acquiring loot from the existing drop chance. So if I'm killing a golden rat on round 100, my drop chance is increased by maybe 100%. So we're going from 5% base to 100% to 10% base chance. From 5% to 10. That's not what I meant, but cool. Make the golden... Oh, you mean I spawn more golden rats the later I get into the game? Yeah, that's something I can do too, yeah. Cakes, look at Dota League for Magic the Gathering. There's always something unbalanced. Triads will always find them. Yeah, it will be. There will be, of course. But this is so jarringly obvious that we need to fix it. It is so jarringly obvious that you should not be able to play to round 4 and unlock all of the items in round 4. Where is the challenge in that? So I need to put a roadblock there. Because that's literally terrible. But okay, let's move on. Meaning... the laptop bag had 2 extra hard drives inside, meaning 4. I got all of the laptop parts of it. They all work. Okay, be right back. Cool, my man. I'm Meo Meo. Congratulations. That's PogChamp, yeah. Okay. Hello there, Arrow Success Dev. Sorry. For raiding. Welcome, you guys. Thank you so much for the raid. Hope you have a good stream. Had a good stream. Okay. Let's collect my thoughts. We were here. We're gonna draw... oh yeah. Drop chance. Item drop chance. A random int. And now here's when... okay. A drop gold. Okay, so this is if the gold number is less than 100, we drop 100. If the gold number is less than 10, we drop 10. Hello, I'm a raider. Who is the streamer? Oh, hello, Mr. Athano. Welcome, sir. I'm a game development streamer that tries to make a tower defense game. And we are currently balancing golden units dropping awesome loot. Because they are golden, right? And they should drop something awesome. So if we have a golden rat, I want to always spawn at least... ah, I see. I know what to do. If... let's see. Target dot enemy type ID is the same as enemy rat gold. And this is bad, by the way. Enemy red gold. We should have a gold drop chance on all of the units. And then the golden red just has 100% drop chance for gold. And then it just needs to be figured out what the distribution is. So I need to have a chance for dropping gold. And then depending on the unit type, the amount of gold varies greatly depending on the rarity of the unit. I think that's easier. Okay. I will do that next. But I won't do it now. Because I'm actually gonna look at Zenith's SoundCloud now. Think he's been patiently enough. Let's look at his SoundCloud. Zenith has finally made a SoundCloud, guys. Let's see here. SoundCloud, there it is. Yes, sir, please. So, have you put up all of your music to... Oh, you have. Awesome, man. Very nice. Have you guys taken a look at these? This is from Zenith. He's made some awesome songs for the stream too, for himself too. Share the link. There it is. This is the link. And I don't know. I can only follow if I have an account, right? Yeah, I don't want to make an account right now. Let's see here. Cakez Loved Musics. That one was amazing. Yeah, I like that a lot. Let's make it a bit. This is one of my favorite songs from him. I like that a lot. It's a really good song. What do you guys think? Cakez buttering up Zenith hard right now? No, what are you talking about, man? I'm just really impressed by his work. I think it's decent. I think it's amazing. Okay, so that's the first one. What else do we have here? Do you play? Oh, this one was good too. Funny oranges, kind of nice. Were you the one with the bro Cakez' butter boy? Yeah, he was. He was indeed. He's an actual asshole. Actual asshole. You know. Butterboy77, yeah. Is it safe for him to use his full name on SoundCloud? I don't know. I told him not to use his full name, but maybe he doesn't understand how that works. So yeah. Promise make the account Butterboy77. I made.
Because I have bad news. I just got your wishes for Christmas.
And you gift us.
Releasing
Okay,
Tangy
bro.
Defense is an impossible task, even for me. Good luck.
For real though?
Oh.
Yeah, what the mods are doing, huh?
For real though, has he ever sent you the source files for a drag just to make sure it's not AI? I don't think it's AI, to be honest. I don't think this is... Guys, do you think that this is AI? I don't think so. Do you guys think this is actually AI? I think Zenith is a troll account and is feeding you AI, probably. Guys, do you think so? Nah, AI is better, I heard once. I'd presume things just to make sure. I don't have the expertise to tell if it's AI or not. Yeah, me neither. Me neither. They usually have lots of effects. I don't think it is AI, to be honest. If Zenith says it's not AI, it's probably not AI. Can't tell, man. I can't actually tell. He's been making a lot of songs, but it could also be that he has a lot of time. You know? Go AI YouTube. Go type AI music in YouTube, Cakez. You will see the difference. This one can't be AI. Okay, bro. I don't think it's AI. I would presume things just to make sure I wouldn't. Yeah, I know what you mean. I don't think it's AI, not gonna lie. I don't think so either. He said he uses FL Studio. Cakez, thoughts on this AI song? I'm not gonna click this now. I don't know, this doesn't look like AI to me. These sound like FL Studio sounds to me. I kinda got the AI feel because of the noisiness. With Suno AI it can be really hard to tell though, it's getting good. You can mostly tell if there's a voice in it. That looks sussy. Preset rearranged. Click it better, bro. No, I'm not clicking it, bro. Leave me alone. I don't think it is. But there's some good songs in here. Let's just see what happens. I think he is... Wow, that's a lot of songs. Guys, I think it's not. But I'm happy that he did it. 19 tracks. The only thing that is strange is the giga variety he's got going on there. He doesn't sound like the one person making a bunch of songs where his style... I see what you mean. Well, we'll have to see. I'm gonna keep it. It's still good that he uploaded them. And then we'll see. You know, SoundCloud will probably be able to detect that, right? Alright, guys. So I did not get to round 30. We did make a lot of progress in the game today, though. We have fixed the XP catch-up mechanic. We have hopefully fixed unlocking items. We have now hopefully fixed something that I need to work on tomorrow, which is golden units always dropping, like a golden drop chance on units. Dropping gold needs to be a drop chance on units, and that needs to be a separate drop chance from dropping items. So if an item doesn't drop, then we'll try to drop gold. If gold doesn't drop, then we drop nothing. It's like a mutually exclusive. We can't drop gold on an item at the same time, but we can drop either an item or gold. And so I wanted to talk about something which just came out a couple of hours ago, which is the follow-up of the TAA versus SMAA, which is super sampling anti-aliasing. What is it? Let me check. SMAA. It's called morphological anti-aliasing, which is essentially a very powerful technique to anti-alias. So to make remove the aliasing effects, but it's costly. And so I want to see what this guy says. Challenge to 3 times the FPS without upscaling in Unreal Engine 5. Insults from toxic devs addressed. You know, and then there is... where's the thumbnail for this, by the way? Let me see. Why do I not have Firefox open? Onalius, thank you very much for following. There you go. Grifter. Wait, they changed the thumbnail, did they? There was... Okay, anyways. Insults from toxic devs addressed. I wonder what type of feedback he had gotten after the first video. Let's see here.
A recent video credited Unreal's Megalites for an 8 times on average performance increase over traditional rendering. I quickly had my studio comment from our channel to warn viewers that if to...
I'm gonna go ahead and say it. You could get 3 times the performance on the left with very little visual loss if the right was optimized correctly. No offense to Electric Loft.
Traditional rendering side was properly optimized.
This guy is AI? I don't think so.
Performance in the Megalite scenario with very little visual loss.
Okay.
The complacent population of the Unreal developer community challenged my statement. And with the...
Hey man, good news here. Well, in case you're sweating the price, once you succeed, I will personally repay you double the purchase of price of the Pantheon asset. No joke. What? I will send you $158. Okay.
Cutscene creator support. I will show you how I delivered on the promised performance using no baking or upscaling. Then I'll show you where the true bottlenecks are present in Unreal to show you where even more reasonable and substantial performance can be obtained to
Holy, okay. I want to see that.
Experience. I'm also going to expose the abusive mindsets. A large population.
As a gamer, I'm very disappointed how Unreal Engine games look with TSR, ghosting and smearing. So I didn't even know this was real, man. Like, most gamers don't know this. We are not aware of this. I played Black Myth Wukong and I was like, move camera. Oh, sorry. Yeah, thank you. Let me move the camera. Sorry about that. Do I move here? Like this? What about this? Hello. Make smaller maybe? The camera, make myself smaller maybe? I can make myself smaller too. Like this. Let's keep myself smaller and then he can talk like that. I think that's fine. Wait, gamers are known for being very knowledgeable about game dev, right? You can't tell the game devs that the game is shit, but shouldn't tell them how to do their job when you have no clue how that stuff works. Ooh.
Of the developer community has taken with consumers. I will also explain why this channel is being attacked, but only in the form of baseless rhetoric.
Threat Interactive has a good way of doing that. Pretend you're a pro, throw around buzzwords, then ask for money to fix a non-existent problem. Damn. Now, like, I'm currently still working on the video that we watched from these guys earlier, where they talk about TAA, sorry. This is the temporal anti-aliasing method that makes everything go very blurry, but in a stable image. But in a stationary image, the game looks like it's 8K or 4K. Like very high fidelity graphics that you can use in trailers to sell your game, like a marketing tool. But when you actually play the game, it's blurry as hell. And I went very deep to find some resources on this, and he's actually correct. The only thing that I couldn't explain, that I still won't be able to explain, is his calculations that he did there on improving the rendering aspect. But that's beside the point. So there is varying resources on the out there that talk about this, and there's actually did I close it? I did close it. Damn it. Let me see. Let me find it. Let me find it. There you go. All right, there we go. So I found it. This is the one I was talking about. Here we're talking about DLAA, which is Unreal Engine's anti-aliasing method. And you can see here, wait, no, that's actually not true. DLAA is an anti-aliasing method by NVIDIA that prides itself on being very performant. And one of them being very performant, we have DLAA and we have DLSS. Super sampling and anti-aliasing, essentially. And they both use AI to try to guess the pixels for the image to make it less sharp and more blurry, so that we have less aliasing effects. But the problem with both of these is that they use past frames to reconstruct the current frame, and when you move, you're taking the past frames into account to move in your next frame. So you start to begin stretching, and then you take that frame that you now took and put that as the next frame for the past frame for the next frame. This one explains it much better than me here. Where's he? Basically, that's because of how DLSS and other temporal upscalers work. They use the previous frame to get enough samples for a stable, upscaled and anti-aliased image. The final image is blended with the history buffer and then becomes the history buffer for the next frame. This happens over and over again. Motion is when problems start to happen. The history buffer needs to be deformed with motion vectors to get the same shape as the new frame. In this process, the history pixels will not be moved to integer positions and need to be split over 4 new pixels. So it's essentially, this is what it looks like in layman's terms and pictures. Blurry when you start moving. That is DLAA and DLSS. So it's an anti-aliasing technique from NVIDIA that is advertised to be less blurry than TAA, but it's still blurry. And so he was right. He's not lying. You just need to dig deeper.
Only gets 13 FPS. This is on the high preset, which is
what is going on there?
60 FPS engine settings combined with the project's default configuration.
Mega lights?
Now I experience crashes with...
Guys, he is using the mega light setting.
60 FPS engine settings.
What are mega lights? Holy 19? What the hell? Lumen reflections? Goodness. What are these things going on
Project's
there?
default configuration. Now I experience crashes with mega lights.
Okay, I'm actually gonna ban you, Collector of stuff. Shut the fuck up, man. Fuck off.
And I felt like the performance was this bad already. I didn't even want to record the performance settings.
Let's see here. What was I talking about?
Combined
Rip
with the
Collector.
project's
No, he's
default
actually
configuration.
incredibly toxic. The moment I talk about something that I find interesting and I watch a video, then just go, man. I'm actually getting really pissed off by this. Not for real though. He's the only person that gets insanely toxic for some reason. Anyone got enough for a random clip? I paused it. I'm actually gonna turn off the stream. Fuck you. See you.